Hello? Hello? Hello?
Well,
Hello? Hello? Is that fixed? Bro. Stream, you hear me now? Jesus Christ.
hey, morning, guys.
Morning, morning,
Morning,
morning,
morning.
morning.
What's going on,
Um,
dog?
Bro, I've been up since goddamn 3, bro.
how's that sound for you
Wow,
guys?
fucking.
Now I'm trying to fix this. So, man, weird. Do you want to turn it down a little bit?
Oh, man. Hold on.
There we go. Jesus. Okay, cool, cool. We're good now? Yeah, someone from the stream talk?
Yep, we can hear you background.
Alright, bruh. So, wait, can you guys hear the music if I play it though? Let's see.
Yeah, we hear it.
Yeah, we hear the elevator music.
Alright, how about now? What if I play this?
Yeah, yeah. The opera music goes like
Alright,
that.
bruh, so this morning, where's my stream? So, oh, that's too big. Let's go. So, this morning, when I did my intro, pretty much what happened was we played the whole intro for our streams and there was no sound. I didn't realize that. So it was just a blank screen you're staring at. It just said that just said um pretty much stream starting soon. Not too bad, but let's do this, guys. Shit. Close window. I don't know what I did here. Um I don't know what happened here. I don't know what happened, just more to causes, but hey, we're good now. So let's start up this the stream. Alright, so GJ, and GJ. What do you got here? 4 hours been closing bullish. Looks like I think we could pop up to like these levels here. Just look at GJ here. Looks like we have formed some type of support here at this level. So pretty much here. Let me make it easier. Let me delete this. So where I'm looking at this right now is obviously the daily is in the weekly is still bearish, right? We know that. But GJ on a small time from here is showing us signs that we are forming support here. So if we're forming support here, we can looks like we could probably pop up to these levels up here. Cause like if this is your support and this is your resistance, price should be this is pretty much your range from here to here, right? So candles are closing bullish at support here, right? So this GG here should be able to fill the range here, right? Because this is your new range that we have created here. Look left, this is clean traffic. So on a smaller time frame, obviously it's gonna be a lot easier to spot as this is a pretty strong resistance that we just broke here. Let's see here. Let's see how the hourly looks. Yeah, I'm praying away for an hourly close above this range here. Look for buys above this resistance here. And then sells for me for today will probably be below the support down here because this is your range, right? This is your range. We're just entering a new range here. Look left, where can we go to? Maybe like these levels right here. So let's just mark this up like so. Draw that. A 4 hour, let's see how it lines up, right? So this is your range from pretty much here to here. Right? Because look what's happening. We formed some support here, heavy support in a 4 hour, and we're pushing up now. If this is your support, pressure be able to push up to fill the range here, right? Look left, we should have clean track on the 4 hour time frame. But yeah, praying away for this. This candle is very crucial. This candle has to close above. If you don't close above, then there's no bias for me to go up. All right. But yeah, let's see here. Man, Mondays, guys, always rusty, you know, when it comes to streaming. But hey, it's all good here. Alright. But yeah, I think if you do pop below here, if you do continue the sell trend, daily is obviously bearish, right? But look, if you look at the daily time frame, look where the daily high yesterday, Friday was. It was up here. So if this candle right here decides to break this high, we're probably gonna push up all the way to like these levels here, today. All right. So like, cause obviously, so here's the thing about GJ. Long term. Might sound like that. Look where we're headed. We're obviously bullish, like long term, right? Look at the overall structure. We're still bullish, right? On the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, these past couple days here, we've been dropping. So these past couple days have been on a downtrend. But overall, I gotta remember the big picture, which is just bullish, right? So are we still pushing up? And look where we're at right now. We're at this heavy support level. It doesn't mean we're gonna pop up from here. It doesn't mean that yet. What it means is that we could, this could be the support level where price could actually reject to go up, right? Obviously, until we get a daily kind of bullish kind of closure, I can't say we're gonna pop off just yet. But if this is your heavy support here and this is your resistance here, price should be able to push up to retest the highs here and retap resistance up here and eventually break it to go further up, right? So let's see what happens at this level here. But this is a very heavy support level here, and if this support level breaks, we're probably gonna pop further down to like, look left, we can probably pop further down to like these levels down here, or like maybe these levels even. All right, so let's see what happens today. It's gonna be an interesting day.
Who is sleeping on the mic?
We got no news today, guys. So
Bro, somebody slunt.
So, wake up, my brother.
already,
Sean.
goddamn,
My
already,
man
he
Sean,
just
wake up.
joined the call.
Just join the call. Okay, it's not time.
Oh, what up, my 110 viewers? What's up, guys? What's up? How you guys been, though? Sorry for a rough start to the streams, but hey.
Your boy is tired, man.
Ah, man, I'm awake. Why you guys blaming it on me?
I'm talking about me. I'm tired. Who is the culprit at the slump session?
So let's see here. Yeah, you keep my vote today. Yeah, there's some minor news today. Some major news actually today. It's not an FX factory, obviously today.
Yeah.
Wait, Sean, you got a
It's on my
camera?
FX
Or is that
Who?
black screen? You.
It's on my FX book though.
Yeah, I do. I'm on my iPad, but I'm just.
Yeah.
Hold the phone up, looking at it. Yeah, when is it? Let's see. It's in 4 hours. 4 hours. That's hell no, not my trading time.
Someone trying to chart. Nice. Let me take a look at this. That shit loud as hell, Jimmy.
Bruh. Hold on.
Put it on me. You play my career. You not listen to no commentary. That shit's boring as hell. Alright. Let's see here. What do you got here? GJ 15-minute time frames looking for buys here. This is your. Let's see. Alright. This is your low, respected previous candle, low indicating on bullish trend, also 15-minute. Yes. If this the support for the range, yes. Two buy styles above the previous 30-minute candle bearish wick. Nice. If I stop here, breaking structure, look left, clean traffic. Yes, this is clean. Price pushed up here. Possible filling wick of this target range. Get this here. 12 pips. Nice. So you close half at 12. You close half at 17 pips. Nice. This is a nice label chart here. These are charts I love, guys. Whenever you guys send charts, I want this from you guys. Alright, all these labels here, all those labels. Never send me a chart that just has like counts on the screen, you know, cause like I don't know what you're trying to tell me here. So Oh yeah, this chart is a very clean chart. Perfect. Yeah, nice. Just re-entered buys on GU. Let's see here. Break on the 15-minute and 30-minute. You enter buys after candle created a lower wick and flipped. So this is GJ 15-minute. Break out 15 and 30-minute. Clean. Joe 30, bro. It's a Monday, bro. I ain't got time for this. Enter buys after candle created a low wick and flipped. Nice. 3 snooze stops to break even. 4 close 8% chill stops to a low of the candle. Clean. I'm confused though. You know what I'm confused on? This. Like, is this the second trade that you're in? Because if this is your trade, then this does not make sense. I'm guessing this is a new trade. Yeah. I'm guessing, right? Yeah, but it's a clean chart. Yeah, you just said this is your second chart, right? Yeah, I read that. Nice. I'm not sure what happens left here on GU and 15 minutes on a higher time frame here. I'm not sure if there's traffic here, but I'm guessing this is your traffic levels looking left. So yeah, it should be clean. That's clean.
Combo, what you think about GJ right now?
Yeah, so I'm looking for buys above like 136, 314, coming up to like these levels up here. I was waiting for this candle to close bullish above the range here. There's 1 hour candle in like 12 minutes here. And then I'm looking for sells probably below, like if it comes back in the range here. So like initially I was looking for sells below here, right? But if price breaks this resistance and we close bullish, but price decides to come back in the range, and then I look for sells coming down like this. So there'll be a fake out, right? But yeah, price sells below here if we do close above here. But if we decide to not close above here and we just start to reject off of these levels here and close below, probably look for sells below like 135, 701. But yeah, because if this resistance breaks, right, it just makes sense. If this resistance breaks, this is now support, and if price closes above it and support breaks, we're gonna come back down. This makes perfect sense. What made you start streaming? What made you start streaming? That's a good question. I never got that question before in my life. I'll be honest with you. For the past streams here, we have never gotten that question once. The reason why I started streaming was because... Why did I start streaming? Guess I just wanted to provide like free education and value to the community, as well as just do it live on the streams every morning. You know, it kind of also helped me stay disciplined too. Why is this to show Sean's thing when he doesn't have a thing? Show no. That's weird.
Shows what?
It shows your camera when you don't have a camera. And it's bothering me because... Okay, there you go, I fixed it. Because... Okay, no, it's fine, it's fine now. So... Yeah, so it actually also helped me stay disciplined as well, because... when you're doing a live, obviously, in front of viewers every morning, and you're doing a live... Like, you're breaking trades down live, you know, you're taking trades live, and everything's just on the stream. Like, there's nothing to hide at all. It's just full transparency. So yeah, also helped me become that low disciplined as well. But I was already disciplined before, obviously, right? I wouldn't start streaming if I wasn't disciplined. But yeah, I just want, you know, to give out free value and the community. Man, guys, Monday, guys, it's not for me. Mondays. I start my engine a little slow, you know. So I think I forgot how to stream. Can I join your Zoom for 15 minutes? I'd like to ask questions. Not right now. Oh, Gulag, guys. What's up? Oh yeah, yeah, not right now. I was gonna start a thing where like every like I think Friday or something, I'll get people to join from the live streams to ask as much questions as they want. But that's like, not yet. You can ask them in the chat, bro. I'll answer all of them in chat. Gotcha, bro. Yo, I want to ask you guys something though. For all the streamers here that came from a different stream, like that are consistently watching me now, what made you join this stream? I just want to ask. Like, what made you join this stream? Or what made you switch over, you know? It's all love, but just asking. Small class. Small class? You joined a small class. It was like a, what, 30 viewers? And it's not a small class anymore. Oh, some I consider a small class, but we don't have fun in trade. 2025 is better music. Better music? Education.
DJ over there trash. They came to the cool club.
This guy said DJ. Cool intro, that's why I love cool intro. Easy to understand, even for nobody. Yeah. Appreciate you guys. You just want to ask. Just wondering, you know.
Well,
but it's all love.
So said because of Jimmy.
Hopefully one day, once this industry, you know, gets a little less toxic, maybe we could do a little like, you know, not collab, whatever you call it, like, you know, and actually be a community, you know. But until then, yeah.
First guest talking options. Look at that.
Oh hell no. I don't think I'll ever do a special guest type thing. Like, I don't know.
Special guest, play Work Hardy.
Yeah.
Play that fucking album now.
I'll probably try to get like a fan thing in the future. I'll probably try to get like someone like that's been in like one of the, like in the leagues. Get some motivational talk out there. Like, you know, like whatever league they've been in, small or big.
Yeah.
Probably get something like that.
You should find like a professional hockey player that trades too. Oh,
rare.
That would be lit.
Oh, that'd be kind of cool.
That's Ifty right there. Ifty so on him.
Yeah.
That'd be cool, man.
We need more than one professional, okay?
Imagine just like Mitch Martin on the streams. Yeah, guys. So imagine he trades. I doubt it.
Oh man, I'd be so excited.
I have less month than 3.
What if he found out that he only trades GJ2, bro? Oh hell no.
Easy to understand and break down, suiting my style and less negative vibes. Yeah, it's all positive vibes here. It's all love here. First I've had my first part from my last month 3, but I'm not sure yet. Hey, I tried journaling heavy on Trello. What's Trello? I heard of it. What's Trello? Sounds familiar.
Never heard. 5 more minutes.
Is Trello like
closes?
Isn't that like a team thing, like an organizing thing?
Probably like.
Yeah, the documentation platform. Yeah. Yeah, I remember the app. Now egos are too big. Yeah, that's the thing, bro. The thing about traders. Fortunately, but I love both streams are fire. Yeah, both streams are all fire. All streams are fire, man.
Sure.
It's the internet? Yeah, it is the internet. You can't beat the internet no matter what you do. How long have you been trading? I'll say almost 2 years by now. Imagine I was streaming when I was like, what, 5 months in? Hey guys, I've been
Nice.
trading for like 5 months. Yeah, live stream right now. Oh, makes sense.
Something like, something like. The bar finna go from red to green. Okay.
So right now, look at these bars over here, and these bars, they're gonna go from red to green.
Like this bar doesn't have this that long stick at the end for some reason. I don't know why.
Honestly, if I were back, I'd be like, so right now I feel like we're gonna push up. Like I feel like we're gonna push up here. Like looking at this, I feel like we're gonna go up. Like,
According to the Pythagorean theorem.
no, it would be all based off feeling. You know, if I was a new trader again.
Yeah.
Like, I you know, I feel like it's gonna go up here. You know, like I really feel like that. You guys rarely hear me say the word feel anymore. It's just me. It's just right now. It's just whenever I give you guys a direction, I provide a lot of like breakdowns behind it. I don't just say I feel like it's gonna go up anymore. You know,
Yeah.
a lot more indication now compared to my 5 month me. Oh, good days. Good days.
I hope this goes up.
Shit,
Like,
I'm gonna move my support down to here. This makes more sense. Or just move it to. Why is my mouse not? Okay, mouse. I hope this is not gonna tap this. Or, hello? Stream view? Why can't I move this? Chat. You guys not see this? I'm clicking this box here.
Go to the corner of it. Boom.
Oh. What was that thing? I usually just click on the regular, like right here. Click on the box. It's fine. That's weird.
This man is a trading view scrub. Like a lot.
Train view scrub, they call it. That makes more sense right there, right, guys? I mean, I base that support off the 4 hour time frame, but this makes sense. This makes sense as well. This is your next like very minor level, right? So, yeah, I'm looking for buys above here, coming up to like, coming up to like 136.838. We have 2 minutes left for this candle to close. Let's see how we close here. Stops would be like, let's see here. Let's see how 15 closes. We can probably base our stops off the 15 time frame or a 30-minute time frame here, depending. But careful, guys. So in this scenario here, what I'm looking for is obviously a push up, right? I'm looking for GG to break above this range here and continue up, looking left, clean traffic, coming up to this resistance, right? But this area of it is very key because obviously we're on a daily time frame, on a weekly, we're still bearish, right? So the thing is, these candles can easily come back in the range. Let's say we do close above like this. Let's say we do close above and we close above resistance and it looks like we're gonna pop up. These candles can easily just come back in the range like this, right? So the thing about these trades is that once you're like, I don't know, like let's say you tap some minor levels of resistance at, like let's say, cause let's say this. Let's say in a 15-minute time from here. Let's see. Okay, so maybe once you get to like, if you're getting in buys, once you get to like these levels up here, look left. There's some traffic here. Once you get to here, these levels, maybe move your stops to entries. You know, like use these levels as advantages. Like next minor support levels, like next minor resistance levels, right? You use them as advantages and take advantage of these levels here to move your stops to entries and close half at and all that good stuff, right? Because if GJ decides to come back into range here, which is this range right here, let me mark this up as a range. If we actually decide to come back in the range here, this would be now called a fake out, right? It'll be a fake out up to go down, right? Because what happened here was pretty much we had a range, we had a break up to the upside, and if price decides to break that support, we're most likely going to come back to fill the range and eventually drop further down if we break the support. So it just makes sense to be very careful of these levels here, right? Because price can just reject out those levels, come down easily. But yeah, buys above here do look very, very clean. Damn, how much are lost in FOREX, bro? Oh my god.
Oh, brother.
When I started, like over like 20. No, like 15, like around there, 15, 20. Yeah, there you go. FX Timer answered it for you. Your drawings are locked. No, I fixed that. I think it's no, it's not a locked drawing. I think what this for is that I can constantly draw lines here like this. What's up, Ifty?
Yeah, that one hour closed above the wicks.
We're now close above the wicks. Yes.
But
Alright,
hold
guys.
on. I'm gonna wait for this candle right now to make a bottom wick first.
Yep,
before
it's currently doing
Yeah.
right now. Yep. Let's see. I want a bottom wick from this candle as well. It's a new hourly candle. Yep.
I want it
There's a bottom wick.
and then flip.
Once we flip bullish, guys, and break this high, let's see here. Let's see how big stop's gonna be here. If you can put the previous 30-minute low here, that's like 16 pips. Put the 15-minute low, it's like around 16 pips as well. 15 pips. Yeah, probably gonna be a 30-minute low for stops in this trade scenario. I'm just waiting for this candle to flip bullish here. 4 looks very, 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 very clean. Could be an early trade here, guys. Let's see. So yeah, yesterday during Asian, guys, it was like the first Asian session where for like a while where I actually sat down and like watched the entire session. Like I used to watch it from like 6:30 to 8. Like, I actually did that yesterday, and there was no trade. I didn't enter any trades yesterday. There's just no trades, but yeah, I haven't done that in a while for Asian. I used to do it every day. Like I used to like zoom it with Jimmy here and Sam every day. Before, you know, but kind of stopped doing it. Flip bullish or break previous wick to enter? Probably both. I think once we actually come up to this wick here, yeah, that's when probably look for buys. If this kind of flips here. If you want to be aggressive, you could be aggressive and wait for and like put your stops once you break this high as the current candle low. You could do that as well because technically price shouldn't break this low, wherever the low is, once it breaks this high. It shouldn't come back down to break that low because then it'll just come back into range. So if you want to be aggressive, wait for this candle to flip bullish and put your stops to the current candle low of the hourly candle. Is it me today or the stream music is a little louder? I think it's fine. I watched for an hour, like watching like paint dry. Now Friday was like watching paint dry. Friday was really bad, bro. Friday was pretty boring stream. It was valuable though. A lot of knowledge dropped. Is that Sam right here? Oh no, I'm hearing things, bro. That's not Sam. What time is the voting, guys? You guys know?
4 more hours. At 10 Eastern.
Oh, 10? Oh, it's after we stream. Oh, that's
Okay.
fine. Yeah, we can get it really.
Okay. But doesn't work like since they're 3 hours ahead of us. So is it on their 10 o'clock or our 10 o'clock?
Check FX thing. Alright, let me check. I'll take a look.
My FX book. Because if it's on their 10 o'clock, that means it's basically happened now. I mean,
What?
it's gonna happen at 8 over here.
They talking about Fast and the Furious gonna be in space.
Boy, what the fuck does cars in space have to do?
No, Jimmy, they're 5 hours ahead, bro.
Oh, 5?
Yeah, they're
Shit.
5 hours ahead.
Damn.
What's the broken entry rates of train view? I think Oanda. Let's see here. Where's the buy and sell button at? Here. Connect. Yeah. Oanda, FXCM, Gemini. These brokers over here. There's more, I think, on this page, but that's all I know of. Not too sure on that.
Yeah, it says it's 4 hours from now.
Oh, alright. So yeah, pretty much 11.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We good. Never mind.
That's like 4 for them, 4 p.m. for them.
Boris Johnson, yeah. What are you gonna decide?
Oh, another thing, guys. If this 15-minute candle right here, right? If we decide to close bearish here, and the next 15-minute candle breaks the high, those would be your penny orders in this scenario, right? To go up. That's if this candle right here closes bearish, and this, you guys might be very familiar with this play, right? Breaking candle highs, breaking structure, right? Oh, let me put my Instagram in. ChartFX, chartfx.com, coolest forex website out there. Let's get it. But yeah, let's see what happens there. Be patient, guys. You guys ever feel like rusty on a Monday? Not rusty, but like
Sometimes I don't even want to trade on Mondays,
it
bro.
takes a bit. I watched a whole IMO hotel meeting video on YouTube, and Trader said that I just felt that it will go up. Oh yikes! Yeah, bro. Yikes. The thing though, a lot of the new traders that like they'll feel like it's going a certain way. Like that's why sometimes they'll tend to add more positions to their trade, right? They'll be they'll think that the more profit they're in, the more they can add positions to their trade, the more they'll be profitable. Does that make any sense? Right? And that's why I tell you guys all the time. Never go off emotions. Like when you enter a second trade, like when you're stacking a trade, make sure the trade makes sense. Like, would you enter in this scenario if you didn't enter the first trade? Like, would this be a scenario where you enter off of with your confirmations, you know? And yeah. Then there's new traders out there that just like, oh yeah, I feel I'm like, oh, I'm like $500 in profit here. I don't want to miss out on money, so let me enter more trades here to make more money here. It doesn't make any sense.
Let me stack hella position on this one trade.
Yeah.
And see where it goes.
And they'll close the trade off because they're like down X amount of dollars. Like, oh, I'm down this much. I don't like it. I'm gonna close it. Like, does that make sense to you guys? Right? You should obviously close by like the way you like whatever you did to enter a trade should be the same way you do to exit the trade. Like, if price is breaking certain lows, you know, this and that, then it makes sense to exit the trade, right? But if price is just like not really doing much, where you're just closing because you just have a feeling, a gut feeling, or some type of, you know, that you should close the trade, then you're obviously not closing the trade for the right purposes. You're just turning off emotions at that point. Why does price do wick fills? Oh shit, this question. Alright. So let me answer that question. So here, because this is a question I probably answered every stream, but hey, let me do it anyways. Since Gigi's not doing much right now, I got some time here to kill. All right, so why does record this, guys? All right, why does price do wick fills? So why does that happen? All right, so now you gotta understand what is a wick fill. Let's say you have a candle like this. Alright. But Jimmy, that shit is.
Oh, my bad. I thought my shit was muted. Hold on, my bad.
Bruh. Yeah, so why do price of wick fills? Let's say this is a candle. Let's say you have a candle right here. What is this in this candle? This is a wick, right? So, what's inside a wick? Oh wait, hold on. Gigi's pushing up here. Wait, I'm kind of getting distracted by it. Give me a second, guys. I'll get back to that in a second. Hold on. Let's see. I'm waiting for his candle flip bullish here. I'll get back to that question in a second. Hold on. 4 minutes for the candle close. I mean, you might as well wait for the 15-minute closer in 4 minutes, right? We have 4 minutes left. I might as well wait for the closer in this scenario. Because I was expecting this candle here to flip bullish earlier when a candle just formed and opened up, right? But we're getting close to the 15-minute closure now. We might as well wait for it because this candle could still close bearish here. I can wait for this candle to close and then enter the buys. If you do close above bullish here, above the range here, with stops above the current candle, well, previous candle, which would be this candle here. So I think that's the best play in this scenario. Alright, so let me get back to that. Why does wick fills how is price for wick fills, right? So what do you have in this candle? The first thing you gotta understand is that this wick here is your range, right? How is that your range? So let's say this is like a 1 hour candle. Like obviously you can say like this is a 15-minute time frame candle, and you say there's like 3 5-minute candles in it, or you can say that this is an hourly candle and there's 4 15-minute candles in it. You can say that this is an hourly candle, this is a 2 30-minute candles in it. You can say this is a 4 hour candle and this is 4 1 hour candles in it. Alright, so let's say this is like a 1 hour candle. Let's make it easy. A 1 hour candle. How many 15-minute candles do you have in a 1 hour candle, right? So you obviously have 3 15-minute candles in an hourly candle. I mean 4 15-minute candles in an hourly candle. So let me draw them out. The first one will be like this. Second one most likely will be like this. And the last one will be like this. It doesn't matter how big or small these candles are in this scenario, because this candle, what these candles form here is pretty much this candle high and candle low, right? So it doesn't matter how big these bars are in these candles. It's just a little example here. But so let's say you have 3 bearish candles coming down here on a 15-minute time frame. The last candle, however, to make this wick, the last candle has to be bullish, because that's how the candle closed. The candle closed bearish with a nice wick fill, meaning that this next 15-minute candle here, which is bullish, it never broke. It never broke the structure high. It never broke this structure high, but it did come up a little bit to close bullish. So this is the 15-minute candle, and this is the 1 hour candle. This is the same exact scenario right now, just on different time frames, right? Keep that in mind. So now let's get back to why is this a range. So pretty much what's happening here is pretty much this candle that closed bullish here, we formed some type of resistance after making support here. So that's your range, right? This is the 15-minute time frame on the hourly. This is your range. So on a higher time frame, if price is showing us signs that we're gonna push down for a wick fill, right? What's happening on a smaller time frame here? What's happening on a smaller time frame here is we're just bouncing off of a minor resistance and then pushing down. That's all that it is, to follow its down trend, right? So now how that look on a 1 hour time frame is that'll look like this on a 1 hour time frame. That scenario will look like pretty much this nice wick fill coming down, and that's how wick fills work, right? Because a wick is a range. So there you guys have it. That is the answer for you. Zay, stay woke. And if you want a replay on that, you could either screen record that, or you can go on the Instagram page here where we explained how to read candles backwards somewhere here, over here. So yeah. In my opinion, and don't get me wrong, I'm sure that there's decent shares I'm on, but as far as helping pre-profit to the road success does not go around, I'm just that's true. We had to watch it for years, spending 75 months. Also remember, market makers can manipulate candles. Yeah, they could as well. Whatever you want to believe in. Right? So the thing is, like, market makers can manipulate candles, this and that, but at the end of the day, candles will never change. Like, candles are candles. You can't say anything about candles. Like, you can't say it. Market makers manipulate this candle here and there, when candles are gonna close as candles no matter what happens. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like a candle can go up 1,000 pips and come back down, make a wick fill 1,000 pips down, come back down 500 pips like this. Right? People can say that this is a market manipulation thing. Price decides to push up here, whoop, 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 and as price starts to reject, as it closes, it'll close like this. And people can say that this wick is a market manipulation where it tapped this resistance and came back down. People can say that. But at the end of the day, it'll still close as a bullish candle with a nice wick. You know what I mean? Like candles, you can say whatever you want about them, but at the end of the day, they'll still stay as candles every day. Oh, 15-minute close bearish, and it looks like we're gonna break the highs here. How big would these stops be? Seven, 8 pips, not bad. Puts the current candle low, it's not bad. 10 pips. I'm entering our buy here, guys. Pretty much what we waited for was what I mentioned earlier. We waited for a bearish candle closure. Well, I mentioned how this candle closes bearish here. I might have buys above that candle high coming up like this. So my stops are going to be about 9 pips here, 10 pips here on this trade, and my TP is like about 38 pips around that level. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna buy here. This is my trade. Pretty much the 1 hour low. It matches perfectly with it. So we're in a good position here. We have the 1 hour low. Cause look what happens when price breaks the 1 hour low. First, it'll be breaking a 30-minute low, right? The 15-minute low, 30-minute low here, showing us signs that we're breaking structure. 2, this is the candle low. If this candle here decides to come back and breaks these lows here, we're probably gonna push back down the range here. So yeah, that's why my stops are where it is. My TPs right here is pretty much based off of the 4-hour time frame. And also the 1 hour time frame. Looking left, that's where you have traffic at. So that's the level where I want to exit the trade at. An area where price will most likely to range at, most likely to reject that, that's where I want to put my TP at. Yeah, I know what I mean. Yeah, a lot of people just base the trades off of one candle and this and that, yeah. In a buy here, guys. It's an early trade today. A lot of people are asking me what's gonna happen to me if I switch if Vantage FX opens up. I left Vantage FX a long time ago. Well, a couple months ago. And I saw this whole thing coming. This whole they're leaving Canada out. I saw the whole thing coming. Pretty much I already seen it through my banks, because I had issues with my bank. Remember I said with withdrawal issues, right? Canada, like they're very strict about it, so it had to come at some point. And Vantage FX is exactly like IC markets, and IC markets is the exact same thing in Canada. They said no to Canada and they just left Canada. And for those that are new here, pretty much the whole breakdown GG here was pretty much the 4-hour time frame, right? Look left on the 4-hour time frame, there's some clean traffic here, and on a 1-hour time frame here, right, clean traffic there. I'm expecting to see mirror candle on the other side to mirror this whole move up. On the 1-hour candle here, we have like a range we had earlier, you know, Friday to today. And we had a range here, and as price is breaking above resistance here, you see how candles never close above resistance here? These are all wicks coming up, but we close bodies below. We actually close body above, meaning that we have a lot of momentum to push up here. And this is the most minimum stops I can put, the most logical minimum stops I can put here for price to drive up to fill the range here. I'm expecting a clean move coming up here. But yeah, it's as simple as that. think in this trade though, actually no, I'll leave it for now. Alright, cool. I'm hoping we break this high here. This high has to break here. This 1 hour high here. It should break. It's pretty near. Let's see what happens here. Once it breaks, it should get a little push up coming up here. So like maybe like these levels over here. Let's see. So once you break that 1 hour high, we should be able to get a push up to like these levels over here. Look left. You have a lot of traffic here. This is a level where price can easily reject off of. So at that point, I'm probably gonna move stops to entries, making a risk-free trade. And then I think that's like 10 pips by then. Probably gonna close half at that point and let the trade run to TP. My runner going to TP. But that's pretty much how I'm gonna manage trade in this sense there on this trade. Pretty simple. One thing I got from Wix Online is the fact that you can make a trade as simple as yeah, that's very true. Cause like I see it all the time, right? You can be, there's nothing wrong with being a GMO trader, right? We call it here organic versus GMO. There's nothing wrong with being a GMO trader here. It's just that why would you want to make it so complicated for yourself, having all these indicators on your screen when you can just have a box and a line on your screen? And a lot of GMO traders get triggered when I see a box and a line because it's so simple, right? They're like, oh, talking about a MACD, this and that. They're talking about like a EMA crossover to this and that. And all I'm saying is I'm using a box and a line. Obviously, you're gonna get triggered, right? Because they're like, oh, fuck, this guy made it sound so simple. But at the end of the day, everything works, right? But it's just up to you, whatever you want to do. You want to make it simple, you want to make it complicated for yourself. If you feel like having more indicators will make yourself have more confirmations, then by all means, go ahead, right? But hey, it looks like we just broke this high here, guys. So we should be able to push up to these levels here. Look left, and then eventually, yeah, you guys know the drill. But yeah, we should be good now. Currently 5 pips in profits. Oh shit. Don't shade. No, I'm not shading you, bro. Don't worry. It's all love. No, I'm not shading anything towards you. No, I'm just trying to say in general, like, you know, people just indicators in general. Nothing wrong, you know, with whatever you do. Whatever works for you, at the end of the day. Exactly. If you're profit, you're profit. But if you can do it by doing less, then why not, right? But yeah, some people just like, you know, maybe they just want to, you know, make it, you know, have that vibe, the indicator vibe. You know, all those like pictures you see, the FOREX pictures, like the 20 monitors on the screen. They want that vibe there, you know, and it's okay. It's okay to have that vibe. Nothing wrong with
Light
that
show
vibe.
buys, man.
Ask FT about those vibes.
If you had those vibes, bro.
Fucking hell, man. Don't need those. Don't need those.
You said ask if
Go blind with those, man. Well, you weren't here, Taj. I was just explaining my journey, bro. And,
you had a lot of screens.
no, there's tons of indicators, software.
Oh.
Nonsense.
Software that was 4,000. That was the
Hey,
biggest
keep
rip-off
on the
ever.
low, man. Keep that on
Oh
the
shit!
low.
They're right. They're right.
That's all.
Oh, only Fridays streamers can understand.
Only Fridays. Only Fridays.
Only Fridays can, you know, talk about that.
Straight push it up nice.
It's paint dry Mondays. There you go, lad. That's fine.
Oh, you better shoot, bro.
What happened?
What?
Oh,
Oh,
DJ.
nice.
6.5 pips in profit here, guys. I think looking left, we have some type of traffic here. Yep, traffic here. I'm moving my stops to entries, making this a risk-free trade here on GJ. Look left, there's some resistance here, right? So I want to be able to use these levels as to my advantages, and you know, stops entries at, you know, and yeah. So I'm risk-free in this trade here. Oh, I don't want to leave a website. Cool. Comment down, I realized I was referring to GP NCD. And I missed my entries on GJ earlier. Yikes. Mad screens. Okay, what time looks the best here? I think 1 hour looks cleanest. Let's leave it at 1 hour time from here. But yeah, guys, this is now a risk-free trade. As we're tapping that resistance, I move my stops to entries. Some days you guys might see me move my stops to entries at 10 pips, you know, closing half there. But some days you guys might see me move my stops to entries at, you know, 6 pips. It just depends on the scenario, right? Obviously, if there's some type of resistance here, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I want this trade, you know, like I'm not gonna just leave my regular stops here, because price can easily just reject off of this resistance here and just pop back down to the bottom of the range here, which is these levels here, right? Because that's your range. Your range is from that resistance to the support. This camera's so close to me today. Don't like it. Let's see, 30 minutes on close here too. 30 minute has a close bullish. Entry has been hit. So these entries have been. Oh, that screen is in my way now. So I'm on this trade here, guys. My entry has been hit. My price has hit my entry here. Came 6% profit, around 5-6% profit. Move stops entries at the top of this resistance area. So I'm not gonna enter another trade just yet. I'm probably gonna wait for this. Maybe, let's see, maybe this 30-minute closer. I don't see how we close in 30 minutes, but I'm not gonna be as aggressive on the buys today as if I were to be on the sells, right? Because obviously I'm more bearish today, you know, daily, weekly, bearish. This is more like a short-term buy to go up here, but the only thing I'm cautious about here is just price coming back into range here, because I've seen this play many times where we have a bearish day or week, and then price during NY or, you know, whatever session pushes up above the range, and then it starts to break back into range to follow its original trend, right? So I might not enter another buy here. I might just wait for sells if you do come back into range here, if we do break the support here. But let's see, that's if it happens. But yeah, trade 1 stopped out at break even on GJ here. Let me update that. Let me also stop screen recording that. Okay. And a lot of people can say that, you know, Don, why'd you move your stops into profits? Why'd you move your stops to break even so early? Why you do this so early? And you guys, if you guys been watching my streams long enough, you guys probably know why. We do the same thing all the time, right? Regardless, let's say this time it hit my entry once, right? And I stuck to the same like management, like trade management, whatever method you call it, I do. Let's say it hit my entry once. Like I'm not gonna, the next time I hop on a trade, I'm not gonna not follow that same management rule that I have, right? I'm still gonna follow my rules, because majority of times this will keep you in the game long term. Right? I've noticed that. Obviously there's different scenarios out there, like this scenario over here where we have like sometimes our entries might be like, depending on the scenario, our entries might be like the bottom of a candle. Like let's say for example our entry is here, right? Oh no, that's not it. Let's say for example our entry is here, right? If our entry is here, we'll have a way better entry obviously, because we enter at the bottom of a candle. Price shouldn't break that low if it wants to drive up, so stops entries here will be much easier, right? Whereas if you enter in the middle of a candle here, price has a higher chance of hitting your entries. But at the end of the day, what's gonna keep you, like, what are you gonna do 100 times if you see it, right? You're still gonna move your stops entries here. Look left is traffic. So it depends on the scenario, right? But yeah. So for commissions, yeah, 30 minutes on close. I think 30-minute close is bullish here, so you should be able to push up here. The only thing is, we close bullish at this resistance here, right? I'll say move your stops to entries though. Mike Ross. My ideal in this trade was for maybe like, I don't know, maybe this 30 minute here, like if we were still in it, maybe this can I was expecting this kind of push for up here to move to like this level where we can catch probably 10 pips at. But it just rejected off of this level, I guess. Let's see what happens here. But yeah. Obviously, until this candle breaks the low of this, we're still obviously gonna go up, right? But if this candle decides to break down, breaks this low, we're probably gonna pop back into range here. And then I'll start looking for sells on GJ. $170 people watching. What's up, guys? I love. If you guys enjoyed the stream so far, if you guys enjoyed that management, that trade management, leave a like on the streams. Appreciate all the love. It's a broker's fault. They were. Those were. Gold had a big drop. Oh, gold. Let's take a look at that. The gold had a bigger drop in rejection. That's why I bought. I thought JJ was gonna be a fake out. I think gold's still in this range here, right? I think we're still in this range here for gold. This is the range we're in. See your support levels. Oh, this is my favorite song, guys. My favorite elevator music song from a playlist. Yeah, I think we're still in this range here. In this weird range we have here. Weird looking range here. But yeah. I'll say for gold, if you guys are trading gold, man, wait for a break of this range. Buys above 1950, coming up to like 90, you know, maybe like these levels here will be much cleaner in this range here. Above 1950 to like 1962 levels, right? That'll be your buys. And then, you know, sells be like below here, probably coming down to like probably like these levels here. Nice resistance you have here. Look at that, clean. Yeah, sells like 1939, come down to like 1931 for gold probably. Look left, like you have, that's where you have traffic at, right? You know, clean rejection. That's where you want to draw your support at. You know, you have a range here. You know, identify that as your range. Wait for a break go above or wait for a break go below. So that's how simple it is. Nothing more to that. Cause look what price has been doing, right? It's been tapping this support and this resistance. It's been going like up and down. This is now your range, right? When you can just simply, instead of getting stuck in a range, you can simply just wait for a breakout to the upside as price closes above, or wait for a breakout to the downside. And then from there, you should get clean traffic coming down or coming up to fill the next range, right? Yeah, 70 pip range. You should legit put a royalty free elevator music list on. You want my music list? You want this list?
Just drop to Spotify, man.
I mean, This is not my favorite type of music, you know. Just letting everyone know here. This is not what I listen to on a regular basis. This is just like what YouTube forces me to listen to, you know.
Nah, man, that's your favorite song, bro.
Imagine
Every day.
just me at home chilling on my butt. Like,
Gonna be listening to Justin Bieber, right? I exposing this man right now.
what's wrong with that?
Ain't nothing wrong, bro.
He's a pop star.
Duh.
I was pulling up like I'm giving.
Yeah, get copyrighted.
And boom.
Stream would have been done.
Bass,
Boom.
bass boosted version. Oh my god.
Doom, doom, doom.
Imagine every morning on the live streams we play bass boosted music.
Hell no.
That should be crazy.
EDM.
EDM.
I
Oh,
don't
no, no.
I don't even watch stream, bro.
Or car slappers.
Yo, what's good, y'all?
What up?
What's up,
Chris?
bro?
Look at
What's up? You work today, Jay?
that.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, you do. Forgot.
I got at
This
12 now.
man been MIA. Take a line.
You know who's been MIA? You know who's been MIA? Houston. Lock.
Bruh.
Bro, Log deleted his Telegram,
He
bro.
made a new one, I think. I don't know, bro. Like,
Why you do that?
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Bruh,
That's your boy.
The ops was watching. So I was like, oh hell no, I gotta make another one.
Play
The
something,
ops
man.
is
I
watching.
can't, man. Like, YouTube will get copyrighted.
The ops is watching us, bro. Looking at that.
So yeah, guys, this candle here on GJ. If you look at this one candle here on GJ, this candle has no top wick, right? So obviously, what that means is that when this candle opened up, it came straight down, meaning that it could be making a low, right, for price to drive up. We don't know where that low is yet because this candle hasn't flipped bullish yet. Obviously, it has no top wicks though. Once it flips bullish, it will have a top wick obviously, and it should be a bullish candle to drive up, right? But as long as this low here respects this low, we should be able to push up. But yeah, that's that candle. This is a decent range for GJ though. This is like a nice 50 pip range you have here on GJ. Listen to Tyler Creator. Ever heard of him? Man, you think I live under a rock, man? Of course I heard Tyler Creator. I listen to him too. Tyler the Creator. Looks like it was on to NY session. Yeah, looks like we should get a. Let's see. There's a lot of volume today, though. I can say that there's a lot of volume since the pre-NY market. There's been a lot of volume coming up. This candle especially, the 6 a.m. candle, nice 20 pip candle. A lot of volume here. So maybe the NY session will get some volume here. Am I missing charts here, guys? I'm not. Okay. You know what I gotta look at? Let's just look at US 30 here. Looks like we're gonna push up here. Daily bullish, weekly candle currently bullish. Let's see. So I was looking at US 30, guys. For those trading US 30 here, we pretty much tapped the support right here. This is your support level, right? That's your range. And your top of resistance is probably gonna be right here. And you guys probably see it already, right? So pretty much look what we have here. We obviously have an uptrend here, right? Daily, weekly, bullish. What's happening here is pretty much price came up, made a resistance, and then price pretty much just pushed down to make support. And that's the range you're in. So this is your range now, from here to here, right? So if price is closing bullish at support, what are our chances of it price pushing up to tap resistance to fill the range, right? So, and obviously looking at higher time frame, we're bullish. So I say this all the time, but the second time price retests the resistance, we have a higher chance of breaking it to go up, right? So I'm expecting US 30 to pretty much continue up here to tap this resistance, and if we do close above here, we could potentially pop further up here, coming up to like these levels up here on US 30. But yeah, I think your first target levels for US 30, if you're trading it, should probably be these levels here. Very heavy minor resistance there. But yeah. You know another thing, guys, this might be a little like hey guys, the official BTC address to send $100 to get $1,000 BTC is here. Wow, man. Wow. I think I should do that, bro. I really think I should try that, you know. Man. Anyways, guys. But this might be like a little crazy what I'm gonna say here, but so here. Think of candles like this. When candles are closed, open, yeah, think of it. There's no like A, B, C equals D formation, like any type of like, you know, confirmation thing in this industry. There's no like this will equal this all the time, right? So think of it like this. Think of it like this. You know how like the 1 hour closes and the day candle closes, this and that, and people wait for those candles to close, like me myself as well. So if you think of it like this, we wait for those candles to close so we can get like an indication of what the day or like the hourly will look like, right? But at the end of the day, candles will continue to print over and over and over again, right? And the market doesn't move by something like, obviously the market doesn't move like by like candles, it moves by like price, right? But the market's never gonna move like, oh, this candle closed bullish today, so I'm gonna go up to him, I'm gonna respect this low to go up. That's not how it's gonna move. Like, that's not how the market thinks, right? The market's gonna move wherever it wants to move, depending on price, depending on, you know, whatever is happening in the world, right? The economy. So think of it like this. Although sometimes we might talk about how like the 1 hour has a nice wick fill for price to drive up, this and that, and we might see the candle visually being there like this. You might see this like, you know, something like this probably. Sometimes you gotta understand to read these candles without them actually being there, and that's what I tried to focus on a lot. And you guys probably see me explain it a lot, right? So what I mean by that, so obviously I gave that little example earlier of how like this wick fill candle is on a 15-minute time frame, a range fill, whatever it is. So if you look at this, so this might be confusing for a lot of you guys, but I'm just gonna throw it out there. But if you look at this, what do you have here? This is on a higher time frame right now, is not this candle. You could kind of expect it to be this candle here, like this, right? Because obviously we have, if you look left on it, we have a support here. Where is it? You have your support here. You have your the high of the candle there. You have your body closure there, right? And that's your range to go up. Obviously, this is what you could expect this candle to look like. On like, this is a 1 hour time frame, that you can expect this candle to look like this on a 4 hour time frame. Obviously, right now the 4 hour does not look like that at all, right? But at the end of the day, this is still this candle. It's just not like, you know what I
see what
mean?
you're saying.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
this is still this candle at the end of the day, because these candles are still
From
closing
like
the way they
higher
are.
time frame.
Yeah, like it's
Yes,
a lot to take
I never
in.
looked at. Yeah.
It's
I
a
never looked
lot
at
to take in, but like that's something I've been like, you know, looking at a lot, and that's why it's so important to read candles backwards. You know, if you can read a candle on a 1 hour candle, you read that on a 15-minute candle. How does it look on a 15-minute candle? How does that 15-minute candle look on a 5-minute candle? How does those look on a 1-minute candle? Like, it's so important to read candles like that. And yeah, like pretty much, you know, you see what I'm saying?
I understand that concept. Don't my only thing is like, so what time frame would that be considered then?
I don't know. It's just like, and it's
that's
just
the
all, yeah.
I understand it though, but just like what time frame would that have been? Because that makes sense. Like if like candles, like you explained it with the like the candles and the wicks and things like that. So if
Yeah.
that has to be like the wick, and that's like the range. And
Yeah,
I'm
like
just
cause yeah, you guys don't understand. There's obviously sometimes we call it a wick fill, but then you gotta realize that like, well, what is a wick fill, right? And I mentioned how it's a range, this wick, and this is your range, right? This is your push up, and this is your range, and then price is gonna continue up, and that's how you get a wick fill. Same thing for a wick fill candle. You get the same exact thing. You have a push up, range, push up, right? So on this candle right here, you're most likely gonna get price to drive up, fill a wick like this. How many times do you see this happen, right? All it is on a small time frame is just price breaking resistance, making support, making a range to pop up. And that's a lot to take in right there, what I just said. But if you guys understood that in one go, then congrats. But it might take a lot. It might take a lot to understand that. Yeah, like I don't think a trader has broke it down like that before. I don't think I ever heard any other trader break it down like that before. You guys kind of say I do this, I do that. Yeah. Yes, can you guys kind of say I do this, I do that? Like, there's no other trader that's been broken down a candle like that before. And that little concept there. In the future, I'll find ways to maybe explain it a bit better. But that's the first time I ever like put it out like that. But yeah. And that's some shit that I never put in a course or anything in my life, like any type of edit. I never mentioned that before. That was the first time I actually talked about this like that.
never
Put that out
thought
there.
about, like,
Yeah, because like candles will forever
right.
be candles, and all we do as traders is that we use those candles to identify like how's the daily look, how's the day outlook look, how's the weekly outlook look, right? But at the end of the day, they're still gonna print whatever it wants to print. You know, it's still gonna print. If it wants to go up, it's gonna print bullish candles. If it wants to go down, it's gonna print bearish candles. So yeah. If the 15-minute past the previous 15-minute is a valid buy, 15-minute how's it look here? Yeah, I think that'll be a valid buy. You know what? You know why it'll be a valid buy? Because you are pretty much tapping this resistance here. And if this is your resistance and this candle closed right at resistance, once this candle breaks this high, it's breaking structure. Looks like it's gonna pop up to like these levels up here. But yeah, that's pretty clean. That is pretty clean. This candle as well also never broke the previous candle low. So still obviously bullish. Our original stop loss never got hit here. Let's see. The only thing I'm worried about in this scenario is maybe this resistance here. But at that point, you know, you move stops to break even anyways, right? And close half at. That's 10 pips. But yeah, it should be clean. Looks like it's gonna push up here. 1 hour is clean, you know, 4 hours clean. It's all these 1 hour and 4 hours both clean traffic. You have this right here. You do it so often, I feel like you don't even know us. What I do often? Break things down? Oh yeah, also guys, leave a 1 if you guys understand like the whole concept there. Alright? If you guys don't understand, don't worry. I'll explain it again in the future. On a different stream probably. You know, but that was like the first time I ever explained that like that. That's just how I view things. I see things here. I obviously look a lot into detail and everything. And that's how I got that whole concept. It makes sense though. It just makes complete sense. And I'm probably not the best at explaining things, but I try to make it as simple as I can. You taking this break? I'm looking at, yeah, like it looks so clean. 10 pip stops, nice like 30 pip range, go up. This is clean. I think let's see, yeah, like 10 pips when we get to that resistance. Push up here. This is clean, man. Damn. Hourly closes in what, 8 minutes here? You might as well wait for the hourly, right? A lot of people are taking entries here. That's fine. This is a clean entry you have here. On GJ, as we're breaking structure, as we close at resistance, we're breaking this high here. We're breaking resistance to push up here. I'm just gonna wait for the hourly here to see how we close here. We have 7 minutes left. You might as well wait for it. Whenever like, you guys might see me do it often, but whenever like we're nearing like count closures, like 30-minute or 15-minute, you guys might see me just wait for it. So yeah, 7 minutes left. Hey man, I love your style trading. You really inspire me. Keep it up. Hey bro, it's all love. Appreciate it. It's all love. Bro, there should be a counter at the top left of my screen where it shows how many times I say that in a day or in a stream. It's all love.
I'll put a tally, bro. I'll do it.
It's all love. Yeah.
We're gonna start that tomorrow.
Yeah, if there's a new trend that's gonna start, bro.
Yeah, I got my pencil for you, bro.
I want to start this new trend in this industry. Not even trend. It's supposed to be like this, but people are just being less toxic, you know? Everyone just being nice, you know? Bro, I'm so cold, bro. I need a hoodie.
For real.
You get the hoodie
I need some
season.
sunscreen. That's what I need.
It's hoodie
Shit.
season. Hey Boogie, like he said.
I'm finna get with your pistol grip chat.
Jimmy, how do you play 2K and trade at the same time, bro? Like I
Yeah,
can maybe play when I'm in a trade and just make it risk free. That's when I can play. But like when I'm like, you know, marking shit up. Oh, you're in a trade already.
Yeah, I've been
Oh,
in
shit.
since like
Nice.
a little bit early.
When'd you get in?
Like, what time is that? It's at like 6 something. After like this candle made a high, came down to make it like some type of support. I seen it on the left. Now I'm gonna enter a buy. Got in there at like literally at the bottom of the wick. I don't know how. Just came like that.
I need to switch this HDMI, bro.
Bro, which one you rocking, bro?
No. Darn. No, I went to this audio place that I mess with.
Yeah.
This should be called.
Yo, why is your screen keep black and all? Is my screen doing the same thing?
Bro.
No.
No, it's my TV, bro.
Oh.
I got a 4K.
Man,
Oh yeah, no lights on right now, bro. You're gonna kill your eyes, bro. You're gonna kill your eyes.
This man having a rave in his room.
Taj has a 100-inch
There you go,
TV
boy.
in front of his desk right now, and that's the only light he has. That's the only light source he has. So his eyes
Oh,
are gonna
I
be like.
This shit is
Show him,
done
Taj.
for,
Taj, show
bro.
him. Show him your desk, Taj.
Bro. Again.
Show him what that $1 million does look like.
Again.
Bro. Because I'm moving today. So
Oh, you moving today?
yeah. So I gotta wake up.
Wait,
I
where you
gotta
moving?
give me a
Moving
U-Haul and all that, bro.
You're leaving
So-
Arizona or you're like staying in Arizona?
No, I'm staying in Arizona.
Oh.
I'm just moving to a luxury apartment.
Oh, penthouse. You feel me? You shitting me?
Luxury apartment. Okay. Condo.
What's up? It's Taj.
Bitches ain't
This is what the
shit.
fuck happens when you stay on one goddamn pair.
Is that Sam?
I'll kiss.
I just hear
No, that's
Sam.
not Sam.
I'll kiss
No,
you on your
that's
fucking
Jay,
forehead.
bro.
No, I heard
No,
Sam.
Sam on there. Sam
heard
on
Can
Sam.
you hear me?
Shit.
There
Stop.
you
Nigga,
go,
lie, boy. I'm finna get with your sleep.
Bruh, I've been talking for like 2 minutes.
No,
Bro.
you haven't.
Sam. No, you haven't.
Like
man.
30
Short,
seconds.
Boy, you've been talking for a millisecond. Your ass giggled. That's all you did, bro.
Yeah, you got me.
Finna get.
Yo, what time does did I take that trade out, guys? Yes, no?
I can't remember. I'm gonna be 100% with you. I ain't got it.
Oh no, bro.
I ain't got it this time, Chief.
Was it 7:30?
Yeah, 7:30.
Yeah. It was like 15-ish.
Yeah, 7:16.
It's starting to piss me off, bro.
You good? What's happening over there, bro?
7:16.
Keep
Perfect.
blacking out. I'm about to pause.
Just cause.
Just turn your light on, bro. You're gonna ruin your eyes.
Who make that? Like a live boy. That's what my bro. That's what my grandma.
For real,
and
for
mom
real.
be saying. Look, when they walk in on me, like
Yo, got ruin
Yeah.
your eyes.
on the screen, turn the damn light. I'm like, okay. They be little boy in me, bro.
When I grow up, I would like to become like you. Nah, bro. You wanna become yourself.
Oh man.
Yeah,
You gonna
come
become
the
a
People
best
say-
you feel me?
People always ask me, Don, who do you want to be when you get older, man? I want to be Donvo, you know? Because why would you want to be someone else, right?
Right.
Can't be nobody else.
You might not be at where you want to be right now, but it doesn't mean you want to be someone else. You want to be.
Eyes are looking pretty clean.
Yeah, buys looking pretty clean. I think these buys are pretty clean. Whoever entered.
Yeah, cause I got in 136 335.
Clean.
Yeah.
Oh, and I sent you
Preach.
I think our
the
original
support on the 50-minute.
our original entry was where? Where's our original
Yeah,
entry? at?
retest was so. Bro, I
Oh,
ain't
over
never
here.
been so patient for a retest in my life, bro.
Yeah, you should have stayed in, Don.
Nah.
Okay.
No. Because this trade could have hit my my original stops. You know, obviously it's easier to say now that I didn't, right? But you know, it was that resistance. You know, it makes sense to move stops to entries. I think I did pretty well with it.
And then just don't let this run to my target. My target is that really long candle. Mirror type shit. Mirror play.
Oh, you closed? Yeah, I got
We're
out.
finna take this buy right here.
I got out at break even. Oh, Sam's getting in there. Oh, we're closing here.
Yeah,
yeah,
as long as this
we're closing
15-minute closes above.
Yeah, this alley looks plain. 15, 30.
Looks a little choppy like when it went up though during London.
Bruh, I got caught. I should hit my entry hella quick. Yo, I looked away. I was playing 2K. I'm like, yo, what the hell? What were these sheets?
My new entry is 136.508. Nice. Yeah, it makes sense. As you broke those highs. 30 minutes unclosed bullish, 15 minutes unclosed bullish, 1 hour is unclosed bullish, 4 hour closing, and 1 hour is unclosed bullish. Let's see.
Yeah, if that look at the 30-minute real quick.
Yeah.
Because I didn't get in, but what's it called? It didn't close. I like the above the resistance. You see, if you look left on GJ.
Yeah. Yeah,
like,
it's
the
so
Yeah, I
close.
didn't like that close at all.
The only thing that's bothering about the
The
trade is
30
30 minute
minute
time
didn't.
frame. Yeah.
Yeah, it didn't close above that resistance. It closed as a weak bullish
Was
as
doji.
well. Yeah.
Yeah, that's one thing that's bothering me about this GJ here. This 30-minute resistance here. That we're tapping here. Hey Taj, you know how you said you should have stayed in? So if this trade comes back down and does exactly, you know, it's my stops, what are you gonna say then? Should have got out?
I'm only 2 pips, 3 pips.
No,
now.
me. If I was still in, you would've been like, Don, you should have got out.
Well, I'm still in it.
The 1 hour, what's it called? The thing is, the reason what's it called? Because like on the left on the 1 hour time frames, like all these weights,
Yeah.
I'm not as comfortable with it. I don't know.
Like,
Wait, yo, Jimmy, what time was that Brexit news?
like
No, it's coming
4
up on
4
like,
p.m. I mean, no. 5 hours ahead. 11 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah, so we good. We ain't gonna be
Why?
trading that time. It don't even matter.
Like the only time from here that looks clean on GJ is the 1 hour time frame. This is just clean, you know. Obviously, you had a break above, just a simple break. You know, obviously this is your retest that you have here. At these levels here, price tap support, and you know, we should be able to push up to this resistance here at 136.838. On a 1 hour time, it looks clean, right? On a 30 minute, however, if you go on a 30 minute, now you're gonna see a lot of like fuckery, you know. You have like some resistance support here at these levels, so yeah, worry about this key level here on GG now. And yeah, I mean, on the trade we're in here earlier on, guys, when we entered, we move our stops to break even as we tap this resistance here, and you see how it makes sense now. We can just easily reject off of this resistance now to go down. Let's see what happens. Again, I'm only gonna take sells here if price decides to come back into range here. That's what I'm waiting on. If that happens, right? But right now, no. Right now, you can't sell just yet. We're obviously still bullish here. 1 hour still bullish, you know. I'm only selling if you decide to come back into range here. But right now, sells are out the window.
Yeah.
Sells will be valid, so pretty much like this was happening here. You know, what was this before this happened? This was resistance, right? What is this now? This is now your support level because this price is up here now. Price is above these levels here. So if price decides to come back and break these lows here to come back into range, hell yeah, we're probably gonna pop back into range, right? This would be now called a fake out. And this you kind of see this happening. You probably see this happening over here. If you come back into range like this, you can kind of see this play out, and this would be called a fake out, right? Because you now have like your, I guess, range here, your range, your false breakout, right? And then coming back into range to fill to continue its original sell trend. That's only if we break back into range here, guys. So as long as we respect, I'll say as long as we respect 136.334, we should easily be able to push up to like 136.838. Can I come back into range just as a retest? Can I come back into range? Your retest was I think it was right here. The support, because if this support breaks, this is no longer a retest. This is now a break of a structure, right? A break of resistance, break of support. Your retest ideally would be this play, you know, price coming back down here and going up like this. But obviously, if this level breaks, what's it doing right now? It's breaking this resistance. It's gonna come down. Full margin. Full margin. So. Chart break 30 minute. Ooh, clean. Nice. 30 pips on gold. Gold's so volatile. It obviously been dying down a little bit since like, you know, a couple weeks ago, but it's still like there's still like a lot of volume still in. And that's what gold always does, right? I've been trading for like 2 years now. I've noticed that trend. Like gold always has a lot of volume coming in like for like 1 week, 1 day, and then it'll start to die down slowly. It'll start to range really, really bad, and then start to push up again. Like last year, remember last year during July, it was pushing 1400s. December came, like November, December, dead rangy markets. What happened in January? Back up, and now it's at 2000. So I was gonna do the same thing. That's how gold moves, right? You guys can't see it here. Like we're still gonna go up long term. Like look, range, breakout, range, breakout, range. Same thing, we're gonna have a breakout now. Same thing over and over again. Like it's been happening since I started trading when it was like around here. These levels down here, I guess. It was like around these levels, you know. Pretty much breakout, range, breakout, range, breakout, range, breakout, range. We're bullish. Gold will always be bullish. Gold will always go up. So how much your last trading? I think that question was answered already. I think I've answered that question already. 20 racks. If it formed that resistance, would you be able to sell GG? Yeah, I mean, no, like, I don't know what your view of it is exactly. Not sure what time frame you're looking at. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe you're basing off of this resistance here. Yeah, but you gotta think that like the hourly trend, like we're still pushing up here. Like we're still closing bullish. There's no like bearish candles in sight, or no form of like thing that tells us that price is breaking support or resistance yet. So we're gonna drive down. Like I'm not looking. I'm like right now. I'm looking for sells if price decides to close back in the range here. But I'm not looking at sells at all right now because it wouldn't make sense. GG is bullish right now, right? But yeah, I'll probably wait for this candle to close back in the range here because this is your range, resistance, support, right? And if you do break back in the range here, we're gonna pop back inside.
Right at that previous daily high.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we are. Yeah. Yeah, because we can easily just respect this and just continue to drop here. I don't know, let's see. How much have you made since then?
What is it?
Pocket watching that boy.
First, you asked me,
damn.
where'd you get all that? Oh my god.
At the end of the day, even if you did answer that, is it gonna help your pocket? Like knowing that answer, really?
I think around like 15, 20. It wasn't exact 20, like 15 to around there. Like around 10, 15, 20. I forget. Somewhere around there, around those numbers. I was way over 10. I know for a fact. I own the CN Tower. I own the CN Tower.
Damn. Like what?
Yeah, see the CN Tower? I own that. I bought it. I bought it when I was 14. I bought this when I was 14,
when my
guys.
family gave me a small loan of $10 million.
I bought it when I was 14.
Yeah. See Don right there? He's still on top of it. 14 years old.
Yep. I own this.
What?
I own this, guys. 14.
You little boy. You baby boy.
If you guys just, trust yourself, follow your dreams, you can do anything in the world. You guys can do anything you want in the world, bro. I'm telling you, man. 14 years old, bought my dream mansion, my dream house here. And now I rent stuff to Drake every day. Drake uses this for his music videos, for his his album covers. Like he does all that. So dreams do come true. You just gotta believe in yourself. But yeah, 14 years old, CN Tower checked.
Check.
He's going for
Check.
the What you go for next? What landmark you taking out next, twin?
Who is in
He's going for
FX?
everything.
Oh, what's up, Intro FX? I mean, Intro FX. What up, Mac? I know you from somewhere. What's up, Mac? I love, bro.
MacD.
Hey, Mac.
MacD strategy.
Nah, you know Mac. You guys know Mac. If you guys on the you guys know Mac. Mac.
He got
Cool
kicked
guy.
into the kicked into the gulag and he came here.
Really?
No, I'm just saying. Sometimes he gets kicked in there. I know that.
I know. I saw Mac get kicked alive once, which was funny. Mac, you're one funny guy, Mac.
Who was that one that drew the fucking penis method? That shit was funny as hell.
Forks Rob.
Oh yeah.
Forks Rob.
Right, I bet it's freaking hilarious. And then the upside down, that version. They're like, bruh, this man drew the freaking dinosaur method. I'm like, bruh, I'm dead. That was the most funniest markup I've ever seen, bruh.
Okay, someone asked, would you consider re-entering buys on Juju with a 15-minute close above 136.529 based on previous resistance with 2 lat to enter by that stage? The 15-minute close above 136.529, 136.529, where's that? Yeah, because then we'll be closing maybe like above like this resistance here, right? If it close above that resistance, yeah, you could. The only thing you gotta worry about is look left. You have like resistance off the rip, like layer off the rip, and then your target will be here, but you just have very heavy resistance off the rip right here. That's like 9% profit, but I mean, I'm probably not gonna enter, but it's up to you. Just because it's like just resistance off the rip here, there's not much range to go up here. But if you're using this range as your like advantage point, you know, move your stops entries at close half at these 10 pips, these levels here, then yeah, I mean it makes sense to go up. 1 hour is still bullish, right? Keep that in mind. It says enter buy in GJ. Well, you understand, if you enter buy now, where your stops be, and then why you're entering the buys right here. I'm not in any buys here. Remember, guys. Or in case you guys didn't know, I'm not in any trades right now. I got one trade earlier, break even, but that's it. Yeah. I'll probably wait for a
I think they might be waiting on that Brexit news.
Something like that. That's after the stream, bro. That's like in 3 hours, I think. Yeah, we could get some news. We got some volume there.
I mean, like the banks, like something like that. I don't know.
Shit, maybe.
Just seems a little. I mean, I guess
this 1,000 pip move
going
is
up,
dangerous, man. They ready to blow people down.
dangerous.
They just baiting. They just marinating right now. Marinating sellers. From the beginning of this month, because this shit's gonna shoot 1,000 pips. Like,
Man, like, yeah, like if GG like, so like, look where GG is right now. It's at this daily support, right? So I'll say, if you guys look at this, I'll say, if GG decides like, if this support holds here, I mean, today we actually closed bullish, strong bullish, we can probably pop up to like these levels here tomorrow, right? 138 levels, right? 138, 500 levels, these levels over here. Cause then that's the top of resistance, right? But then if we actually decide to like pop back into this range, like above here, and we actually close above here, man, we're clean to go up until like these levels here, you know, 140. After 140 breaks, we're gonna pop up to these levels here, 142, right? But for that to happen, we're gonna need today's daily candle close bullish, and then eventually pop up in the range here. I'll say we have a higher chance of popping up to these levels here once we actually break back into this level, 138 levels, because then we'll be breaking structure. But yeah, GJ overall still bullish though. This level is very strong though. The support level is very strong. I just wait for a day count closure to show us that we're gonna push up, because this is a strong level of support here, a very easy level where price can easily reject off of to push up again, but we're gonna need some confirmations there, and for that confirmation, we're gonna need a daily candle closure. That's what I'll wait for. So tomorrow could be a more interesting day, more bullish day if we do decide to close bullish. We obviously have like 8 hours left in this candle, day candle, so you're gonna have to wait for that. We have a lot of time. Price can do whatever it wants to do in 8 hours.
I think FOMC is this week, right?
FOMC, is it this week? Let's see.
I think it's this week.
Core retail sales on Wednesday. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be an interesting week, guys. It's gonna be a good week. FOMC volume, retail sales volume. Yeah. Is there a bank holiday? Next Monday and Sunday is a bank holiday, so there might not be a stream next Monday. Actually, no. The yen is closed during the New York anyways, so it doesn't even matter. But yeah, Thursday, huge day. You have rate cuts for the pound. You know, you have rate cuts on Wednesday for the dollar. You know, you have a lot of news this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday might be boring, but Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Friday will be a lot cleaner. Really use the castmate wicks is confusing me. Yeah, I got you. Give me a second. This candle could be a pullback to continue this downtrend, but not so far the daily has a strong bullish candle. No, so yeah, possibly might reverse test the highs on the chart. We're into daily chart now. Yeah. Let's see, cause like I was looking at like this daily candle here, and for us to like really drive up, I think we had to break this daily candle here, this daily candle high. Once we break that, it would have been clean to go up to like 136.838, and that's when we probably fulfill our target. But until then, cause this candle can easily just flip back here and respect this high. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Yeah, use the CAD. Let me take a look at it. I got you, bro. Guys, where are charts at today? There's no charts today? What's happening? What's that song? It's stuck in my head because it's 2K now. What's that song, Jimmy?
What song?
Back with the remix.
Oh, what's poppin'? Like what?
Nah, I hate that song. Alright, use the CAD. This chart is old. Let me delete that. What do you got here? So you currently have weekly is bullish, makes sense. Daily is bullish. Daily is bearish. Man, this is so usually CAD so choppy right now. Let's see. I think this is your range, right? It's your range. That's your support level, right? This is your resistance up here. At this resistance here, you can kind of draw a resistance right there. This is your range here, marked up as a range. I would say use the CAD, wait for a breakout of this range here. If you break above, where's your next clean traffic level? It's probably gonna be like right here at this resistance level. Probably that's your TP level. If you break above here, so buys above there, and for sells, probably like sells below like these levels down here. Coming down like this to support her. This is your sells. So yeah, I'll wait for buys above here. That's like a nice like 25 pip range, and it sells below here for a nice like 25 pip range as well. So yeah, not bad. But wait for a breakout of this range here because this is currently your range. See how simple that was, guys? Simple. Took me like 20 seconds. Obviously, daily closing bearish here. I think much preferably I want sells below this range here coming down, but either way, buys above or sells below would be clean. Yeah, USD CAD is not my pair trade though. It's just like, yeah, worry about the dollar, yeah, worry about the Canadian dollar, yeah, worry about so many like pairs. Whereas GJ, you only gotta worry about one pair, and that's just the pound, right? Because that's the only thing that's open right now. The end is closed. Going down in GJ, yes. I'm waiting for breakouts of the lows here. If GG does what it does today, what we expected, then oof. Is there correct correlation with Australian dollar and gold? I don't know. I mean, they're both driven by the same news. Probably not directly. Gold is just moved by the dollar. Why is this so big? There we go. You guys wanna know some sauce? You guys might not know the sauce here, but like if you look at this here, I have a starting lineup, and I used to have a bench. As a pair, like my pairs here. I just have a bench here. These are all my pairs. This is a starting lineup, and yeah. I used like all these pairs here, guys.
What was your bench?
All these.
My
bench was I think Bitcoin, US oil, 80 GPY, 80 USD, 80 CAD, GPY, CAD GPY, you know, like your USD, your CAD, like, you name it. I had a bench pair, bro. Like a bench lineup. This is my starting lineup though. GJ, gold, and coming in at number 35, US 30.
I can lie. That's the big man right there, bro.
We don't see him today. Jimmy, where's your face cam at? Oh, he's playing 2K. I don't know, bro. Jimmy is chilling today. He doesn't want to be seen today. He doesn't want to be seen today. You got a fresh cut, but he doesn't want to be seen today.
Bro, this is one of those paint dry days, man.
Yeah, guys. Where is that? Shout out to. Why is it not showing up?
Down at the beach. Early morning.
Not showing up. I see it.
This man got the most glitchiest screen right now.
Yeah, Kobe, you're at the beach with me. Hey, let's get it. Yeah, guys. I'm with Kobe right now. Yeah, this is 2K.
That's this version?
That's the Kobe version.
This
Mamba edition.
That ass bought the disc.
That's an 80 JPY as a pair. 80 JPY is not bad. Like I used to like Euro JPY. I like a lot of yen pairs. 80 JPY is not a bad pair. It's a steady pair. It's a good pair for beginners, I'll say. Not too fast, not too slow.
Just right.
Steady, just right. Gotta catch 81 pips for Kobe. I think there's one stream, guys, where we caught like over 100 pips on GG. It was a runner on the stream.
For Wilt Chamberlain right there.
That was for Wilt Chamberlain right there.
Let's lose 24 trades in a row for Kobe.
How do you get the beach effect on your stream? I'm at the beach, man.
It's at the beach. It ain't no effect.
This is not an effect. I'm at the beach.
Trade on my laptop. Trade on my laptop. I get laugh.
I busted out laughing right now. That shit was funny.
What's up, Don Vo? Millionaire trader here. I get laugh. I'm gonna give you my 3 most profitable patterns that will make you money. Simple. Just watch my 2-hour video. I get laugh. Okay, guys, this is the head and shoulders. Okay, this is in reverse head and shoulders. Okay, this is double bottom. Okay, we're done here.
If you want to know more about my course, please click the link in the bio.
In-person course, $8,000. Take a lie. But the thing is, you will be training on the beach with me. Take a lie.
So if you guys look at this trader right here, he bought a nice Lamborghini from 2 days being inside of my course. 2 days inside of my course, ball lamp.
I found him on the street. I found this guy. Look at him, Lamborghini, just like that.
Oh man.
But wait, why does your thing say demo? I ain't gonna lie. But do it on Thinkorswim. I ain't gonna lie. Do not Thinkorswim, Donbo. Looking ass. Hell no. Like, what's the fucking point? That whole shit is hilarious.
You see the video on YouTube, how about Force People Talk? Yeah, I have it on my page. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, go. If you guys want laughter, watch this video here. Actually, we'll watch it together.
Guys, right now I'm sitting inside my brand new Benz. How did I get that? Forex. I wouldn't lie, I'm the Forex guy. Guys, I just hit the lottery. I'm not talking Lotto Max, I'm talking Forex. There's only one way to success, and that's Forex. Right now I'm going for a walk, and I'm making money, guys. This can be you. Guys, I'm getting so much money, I just decided to open my own construction company. And that's all because of Forex. We're making money by the bucket load, man.
I might be like,
you're still working a 9-to-5 job. I'm making money by the second. Would I lie? I'm the Forex guy.
1 cent a second, bitch.
Ben over here, making money by the second. He's making money right now. Ben, how much money you make today?
I made 20K.
20K? 20K? When did you start, man?
30 yesterday.
I found him on the sidewalk. Let me show you the sidewalk. I found him on the sidewalk, guys. He was sitting right here. I picked him up by the bootstraps, and I made him make money. You guys can do it too. It's easy, baby. Guys,
residual day Fridays. Oh my god. Bro,
that last picture had me rolling.
You know what's funny, bro? When he says, how much have you made today? 20K. 2 days. Like, oh my god.
This man popped a hunt a lot on demo.
Hey guys.
Yo, I caught
I think GJ just popped back in the Ranger, guys. We're popping back up in the Ranger, back inside the Ranger. And you guys might see why we did what we did earlier. Why we moved our stops entries and all that, right? Because look where it rejected off of that resistance level. So that's why it's so important to have advantage points. But yeah, I think we broke this lower. Looks like we're gonna come back in the Ranger. Let's see here. We close in like 2 minutes here. Let's see.
I entered at the 15-minute thing, resistance.
Bitch is leaking.
How long have you done this? Done what? Streaming? This trade though? How many times I've entered this type of trade? Probably like a lot here. You guys might see it. Let's see.
Bodies.
You know, this trade right here.
But they didn't give him my freaking VC.
No, a lot.
I'm suing.
Talking about how long I've been streaming for? I've been streaming for like since April, March-ish, around that time. And people are starting to find us out now. 4 hour close in 30 minutes. Yeah, 4 hour close in 30 minutes here. Daily never broke the highs. If a small time frame is showing you bearish momentum. Right? Because you gotta remember, daily is still bearish. Like, the candle right now is bullish, but the previous one is daily is bearish. Weekly is still bearish. Last week's candle closed bearish, right? Let's see.
This goes high.
You're in it?
Yeah, I caught it at the 15-minute.
Oh shit.
Much like that.
Oh,
at the
close
15-minute
bearish?
resistance.
Oh yeah, that's clean. Nice, bro.
Okay. Like, you know how I was saying, like, price was like it never broke
that
like
high.
the 30-minute candle.
Yeah.
Yeah. From the,
Yeah.
Forex.
So Taj, you know, remember earlier I said I should have left it open? So what are you gonna say now? If I was still in the same exact trade, hit my stop loss. You know,
I broke
down,
even.
No, me. It's about me.
6.
If I was down 10 pips right now, cause I hit my stop loss, what would you say right now to me? You should have closed. Nah. But yeah, that's why it's so important, guys, to just do whatever you do consistently, no matter the scenario. Obviously, you're gonna want to adapt a little bit to the markets, but stick to your plan. You know, what are you gonna do? Like, if this is where you're closing full at, because you're not gonna feel comfortable taking being a trade after price breaks a certain low, then get out the trade. You know, like, just stick to your plan, and that's what we did today. We stuck to our plan. All right. And we were able to save 10 pips today because we were able to close the trade out at break even instead of losing. Okay, we closed here. It's 8:30. Oh my god. We close back in the range here. I'm looking for entries here, guys. I'm probably gonna wait for this 15-minute close though, because these stops are pretty big right now. If I were to enter, stops would have been like 22 pips, way too big for me. Probably wait for this 15-minute close here, and then enter off of the next candle, which stops above this candle high. I've been training for 2 years. I'm on stream tomorrow. Nah, you haven't, bro. You've been training for way longer.
Watch this can of whipsaw. Take a laugh. Boris Johnson.
Yo, so my friend, I think he has a YouTube channel. I'll shout him out once, like, he actually starts it, but he's gonna start like a FOREX, like he knows nothing about the industry, nothing at all. And he had an opportunity to start when I started, but he didn't. He got lazy. But yeah, when he starts his streams, when he starts his channel, his journey, whatever, he's gonna YouTube everything. Like he's gonna vlog the whole scenario, like from the moment he like he's gonna ask me questions, this and that, and he's gonna like do it, cause like for his birthday, I think last year's birthday, I funded him my account, right? And he never used it since. But he's like, yeah, I'm gonna save it for when I actually like.
Sorry, Christian?
Yeah, Christian.
Hey, Christian. I remember.
How you know Christian?
Bro, we was playing Call with him that one night.
Oh yeah, you know. Yeah,
bro,
my boy.
I swear, I'm not gonna hold you. I thought this man Don was geek, cause this man was laughing all night. I was like, bro, you good?
Nah. Whenever I play with him, we just fucking. Yeah, he's been my best friend for like since I was like 7, so it's been like a nice 13 years.
So.
But he's gonna like show you his whole entire journey. Like, oh yeah, all right guys, so today, I'm learning about this and this and this. But yeah.
What's up, guys? Just bought my 3rd Lambo. Yeah.
Are you gonna trade after the news? No, I'm looking for trades now. After the news would be like 11. At that time, I'm not be on the streams. I don't really trade after like 9. At 9, I'm pretty much done. 9:30, I'm done for a dip. So 6:30. When did 6:30 open up? 6:30 opened up at like here, right? So 6:30 was here. We've moved like 20 pips up and then about 6-7 pips down. So we haven't moved much. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a trade in here on the 15-minute time frame. Let me ask you guys, how many trades have you guys entered today?
1.
I've entered 1 trade, right? How many trades have you guys entered here?
0.
0.
41.
Oh, yeah.
42.
4, 3. I caught 1 trade. Caught 2 pips total. 1, 4 since 2. 4 since 2. What? Oh, 2 a.m. 4 since 2 a.m.
London, man.
Yeah, London.
Fiend.
Yo guys, so there's a lot of gurus out there that like to show that their Gucci shoes, this and that. Oh, you guys know what I bought last weekend?
Yeah. Big drip. Fuck you.
Big drip.
Big drip.
Big
fuck you.
drip, guys.
Inspiration from your boy, bro. I show these boys how to drip. You feel me? You shitting me?
That's my guru FOREX shoes. Nah, these shoes, I'm saying it right now. They're gonna pop off. I'm telling you right now, they're gonna pop off. Give it like next summer, everyone's gonna wear them. It's gonna be a new trend. Just saying.
But what shoes?
Crocs.
Which shoes?
Crocs. These are fire. No, look at my screen. Why are you laughing?
What the fuck's funny?
What's funny, bro?
What the fuck's funny?
Wait, why laughing at my shoes, bro? Don't get me wrong. No, they're comfy, bro.
Travis Scott just needs to do a collab and it's done deal.
It's a done deal, bro. It's a done deal.
It's Jack Crocs, bruh. And I know, bruh, his little pins on the Crocs will be dumb fire. I already know this.
No, that's a fact. Cactus Jack on the bro.
Cause
That'd be a
bro,
fire
Americani freaking Crocs, them shit's already hard.
He made Crocs. Oh yeah, they made Crocs. Yeah.
Yeah, bro, my sister got them. I'll try to cop them, but they freaking sold out, man. I was in line, bro. I was like, this man Offset bought most of them, bro. That's what made me mad. Shit.
What shop I'm using for stream? Asphalt Beach because I'm about to stream with my friends on the league. Oh, we play League of Legends, nice.
Hey.
I use OBS. OBS to streams and use Streamlabs, the Streamlabs version.
I play League too, bro.
Oh, we have like 10 minutes left for guys. Shit. Looks like 10 years late on a Crocs run. Damn. Didn't know that.
I'm a doctor, bro. What you mean? I'm a doctor. That's why I'm always.
We got Himkey, Mr. Mackey on the stream. Who's Mr. Mackey? Who's Himkey? Hold on. Did I miss a comment or something? Where is he? Air chat Dota 2? No.
No. League of Legends,
I'm more of a FPS guy, 2K guy, you know. Yep. Looks like we are gonna be coming back in the range here, guys. Looks like we're gonna come back in this range. I can now remove my target on GJ here because that is invalid now. I'll say 135, so no one is my target for GJ now. But yeah, looks like we're gonna come back in the range here. I'm expecting this forward candle to close bearish though. Let's see if this forward candle closes bearish, or if this candle right here closes the way it does, and the next candle breaks the structure low, you could expect the waterfall and GG coming down to fill this range here, right? Because at that time it'll be breaking structure. If the next candle comes down like this,
and the floor looks a lot cleaner as well.
Yeah, this next candle just easy coming down like this. Let's see. But if this forward candle was above the range, and yeah, you can kind of say that like, because the 1 hour hasn't closed yet, right? This candle is in the range right now, but it closed in 22 minutes here. If the 4 hour closes above the range, above like 136, 315, you can say that 4 hours on probably pop off to this target. So let's see. This candle is very important. This hourly candle. I'll say the 9 AM candle is the most important candle of the day. The 9 AM 4 hour candle. That's the most important candle of the day. Because that's when like, that's like when the NYC opens up, right? And that's the last candle opened until London closes, because London closes at 11. And yeah, because after the 1 p.m. candle, you shouldn't be trading at 1 p.m. anyways, right? So the 1 p.m. candle is gonna be a lot later. Look for I might look for trades, yeah. I'm trying to look for GG sells here if you close back in the range here. You guys have a course? Yes, controllerfx.com. Do you pay attention to patterns? No, I don't believe in patterns in this industry. I don't even believe in a method or strategy. Whatever the way we trade here, I wouldn't consider it a method or strategy, and I say it all the time, because a method or strategy is like, it's like saying, you know, you're waiting for ABC to equal D type thing. Like, oh, you need this plus that. You need 1 + 1 = 2. And I don't think that's how the industry works here. Because the industry's gonna do whatever it wants to do, and it's not gonna repeat the same exact thing over and over again. Like literally, you're never gonna see that same like exact candles back to back to back over and over again. You know, it's like whoever it does once, it's gonna do it at one time only. Every scenario is different. So like I don't believe in patterns. That's why. But yeah, I'll say like whatever I do here is just, I guess, like fluid. Guess just adapting to the markets, being fluid. Market of support and resistance, and just adapting to that. Because support and resistance, like think about it. No matter what or where price is, you can mark your support and resistance wherever you want it to be. And like for example, let's say how can I put this in a way? Let's see. What's the pattern out there? Give me a pattern.
Head and shoulders.
Head and shoulders. Wait, what kind of patterns are you talking about? Are you talking about candle patterns, like candlestick patterns, like
Are you talking about candle patterns?
like
or
candlestick
like
Bible type
market
stuff,
patterns?
or are you talking about like market patterns?
'Cause market patterns is you could dead ass eyeball it and see what.
Head and shoulders. Nothing wrong if you trust patterns though. Like when I started off, bro, don't get me wrong. I used to look at it like this. Hey guys, I see a W forming here. You think it's gonna push up? Like, you know, rising flag, bearish flag, bullish engulfing flag,
Bearish and gopher, bullish and gopher.
you know, you have a channel here, you know,
Oh, man,
like those type of patterns. Great shampoo, you know.
Batman signal.
The Batman harmonics. Like that's like, you know, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I had this one guy's course, and Jay in the cut knows whose course this is. But he started talking about how, like, talking about some Batman harmonic scanner pattern, and I couldn't. Jay, you here? Jay's on mute. But there's one guy course, and he started talking about like some harmonic scanner, and I just, oh man, I couldn't. There's one thing I tried a lot of things in my life, but I never tried harmonics in my life, and I never will. I don't know, man. Sounds like IMO because it is IMO. So wait, did IMO come with the harmonic scanner, or is that already a thing?
Been a thing.
Really? So IMO just like took it and just
they
felt like that was the most
took
consistent
it.
way to be profitable, and that's how they're treating all their millions of traders in their company.
Yep.
With the one harmonic scanner that requires no effort. Sounds legit.
Sounds legit. I remember.
How many double bonds have I bought and I can free myself? Yeah, bro. Trust me. Trust me. I know your pain, bro.
Oh, or like how many double tops you try to sell off of? Oh boy. Oh boy.
There's approximately 4 double tops here. We have a quadruple top. I think we're gonna come down here, guys.
Bruh. Yeet. I would go. That was the most funny shit ever.
Everyday has a red thing. They just repackaged it. I'm not gonna lie. I give props to them though. Like they've done a good job. Like scamming people. They've done a good job. Well, not scam people. They've done a good job. Their company, building their company.
Scamming, gotcha.
Nah. All positive vibes here. No more.
It's fine.
But yeah, like you gotta give credit where it's due though. At the end of the day, like they've built their company pretty decent, like pretty good. That's a $1 million company? Nah, like millions. Alright, but I wouldn't suggest it.
Just made people like millionaires, no?
Yeah, bro. Like it made people millionaires. Like many people are millionaires. So it's like they've done pretty good.
Gotta be worth some millions.
2020. It's just one of those years.
2010, yeah. Like, but the thing is, yeah, 2020 people shouldn't be falling for that stuff, but people are still falling for that stuff. It's sad. You know, like it's sad. It's sad when someone in my group promotes. They have a different IMO. What's it called? Remember I saying that thing? What's it called? Like, it's not even called IMO. It's called like, shit.
Trade house?
No, no, that's IMO. Trade house is an IMO. It's a team in IMO. No, it's not called that. It's called like, bro. I sent it in the screenshot. Remember? There's like different companies out there that looks exactly like IMO. It's called This one was called. Let's see. Academy? No, it's IMO, I think. I think it was called.
Great house.
Oh man, I don't know, but there's so many like companies out there now that just are trying to like replicate IMO.
So much, huh?
No, bro, I
15-minute
think you're talking
close.
about Trade House.
Trade house? Nah, trade house is IML, bro. Don't get me wrong, I think.
Alright. Okay.
But it's just so sad. Like people are, like, they're like, so someone in the VIP group was like this. They're like, yeah, guys, hit me up if you guys want any info. I'm doing a session right now where I'm explaining all the great things you have about this company, this and that. I'm like, people are very falling for this stuff, really, in 2020, you know?
Yep. Anyways, 15-minute close, bullish at support. Let's see.
If 30 minute close above range, you look for buys? No. 30 minutes still gonna close bearish, right? Oh no, this 30 minute candle? No. Probably like above here. This is your new range, I guess. Right, you can say this is your new range. You have a range within a range. Right there. That's your range. Probably above like these levels here. Actually, maybe if you come back in the range here, maybe, because if the forward closes bullish above this resistance here, I might look for buys above like 136, 314 if you close above here, because then you can kind of see it, right? The 4 hours of nice wick fill. You can kind of see this playing out. Boom, and close, and next count's gonna pop up like this. This is what we're expecting on GJ. If you do close above this resistance here, I'll look for entries on the 15-minute, 30-minute time frames, on the small time frames, obviously. So yeah, maybe, yeah, if 30 minute closes back in the range, yeah, you could look for buys. Let's see. We have to close above this level though.
Damn, bro. My shit is still hurting.
But it's approaching 9 a.m., right? So I think it's gonna be a weak feel if you close above. I mean, a weak feel. Have you ever tried trading bot, BOT, as advisors? No. It's not like a algo. I never tried any algos before. I'm nothing against them, but like I just no. Nah.
Wednesday.
Organic only.
Algo, never doing it again.
Organic for life. Oh yeah, you tried an algo.
I tried that shit once, never.
You mean a wick fill? Yeah, 4 hour wick fill. Isn't that what I said? What did I say? Oh, wick fill if you close above. Oh, yeah, it is gonna be a wick fill if you close above. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we paid. Yeah, because then we'll be closing above the range, and we have this counter here that has a nice wick fill, right? And you guys can't see it now, right? You guys can't see it. Remember how I explained earlier how this is your range? Your range is this wick alone, right? If you drop back on the 1 hour time frame, it will be much more clear. Boom. See that? Remember what I drew earlier? I'll bring it back. Let's bring it back. I draw a lot, bro. Holy shit.
Artiste looking our boy.
I used to be an artist. You guys want to see? Actually, you guys can't see it. It's behind my room. But
Cause he always got his hoodie on. Looking
where is it? Jesus Christ.
Is that in trading view what you're doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, me? Yeah, this is on Zoom annotations.
Oh, you drawing on Zoom.
Yeah,
Oh.
you can't do this on
I was about to say.
Nah, yeah, you can't do this on TradingView. It's too slow. That's way too slow. Hold on, guys. I got this, guys. No, I got you guys. Hold on. 10 hours later. Oh my god. Did I draw this much, guys? Did I talk this much? Jesus. Hold on. I got this. I'm pretty sure I could have drawn out the candles by now, but I'm pretty sure I
That's
drawn the
trying to draw a
candles.
freaking dinosaur.
I got this.
I got this, guys. Here. Voila. Oh yeah.
This gotta be drawing you.
It's this, but flipped. Okay, I gotta draw it anyways now. Wow, that's great. Cause it's pretty much this but flipped, right? It's this bullish but just a flip version of it. So here. Jesus Christ. Alright guys. So I'll make it quick. Boom. Right? That's your 4 hour candle. There's 3 1 hour candles in the 4 1 hour candles in the 4 hour candle. So it's gonna look like this, right? Boom. 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 Right? And then now you're gonna have a bearish candle coming back down to make that wick, right? So pretty much that lines up with that, right? See, your top, your bottom, and your body lines up perfectly with this candle. This is just this, right? So how is this a wick for, you may ask? Well, this is your support, this is your range now, right? And yeah, you guys see it, right? This candle that closed bearish here was pretty much this wick fill right here. So the next candle, high chance is going to continue up because one, the higher time from 4 hour candle is going to close bullish here. Price is always going to follow the higher time frame candle, obviously. And then on a smaller time frame, it's going to look like this. Push back up, right? And 4 hours going to look like this. So that's how wick fills are going to get formed, right? So, yeah, I see it now, right? 4 hour, that's a 4 hour candle wick fill. On a 1 hour candle, all that is just this exact thing right there, see? If I were to erase this, and you guys look at this like this, you have your push up, boom, your push up, boom. You now have your range, boom, your range, boom, and later on you're gonna get your push up again, which is the wick fill, right? And that's where the push up's gonna be. But yeah, that should be a bit more clear now for those that are confused about that. Can you check gold? Yeah, check gold. What's up? Yeah, I think it's breaking above this range here. Yeah. Wait for the hourly close, maybe? I think the stops are pretty big right now. Yeah, maybe wait for the hourly closer and then enter off of the hourly based off the 30-minute, 15-minute time frame. Or stops below that, I'll say. 30-minute stops would be your nicest right now, I guess, in this scenario. Or 15-minute, but 30-minute will be clean. 4 hours on close here as well. 4 hours on close bullish. Yeah, looks like we're gonna continue up to like 1962 levels on gold here. But yo guys, lately guys, like moves have been happening pretty late. Like 9ish, like this like I think August alone. That's what's been happening. I think before August though, we had pretty early moves like July, June, May, April, March. Those are pretty early moves. The market does that a lot though. It just tends to shift a lot. I'm done for a 9. Good luck. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, see you, bro. Take it easy. I think I'm gonna look for buys here at 9 a.m. Let's see. I want the candle to close above the range. If it closes below the range, then there's no trade for me today. Right? I appreciate everyone for showing up today in the streams, man. It's all love.
Hey Don, question.
Yo, what's up?
Cause I'm new to your course and stuff, and I'm like just getting on your lives. You know my brother though.
Did you wait? Piper Wilson. Are you on Telegram?
I'm in Discord. I had the link. Yeah, link.
What's your Telegram name?
Should be Kiefer Wilson.
Is it Craig Wilson? No, right?
No, that's my twin.
Oh, that's your twin? Shit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know him, yeah.
Yeah, he's the one that put me on.
Yo, what's up?
Nah, what I was gonna say was when you back tested, because like I'm watching your videos and stuff, and it's like I'm understanding it. I'm just gotta start plugging it in and everything. But like when you go to back test, is there like I'm trying to find like the best way to back test, unless it's just you going back and just looking and catching the move as you come.
Yeah. So I would just like I don't really back test. I don't back test like directly. Like when we met directly is like I don't like just go back in time and then just go to certain like you know that simulator that I used to do. You might not know it. That simulator that I have have a video on. Pretty much you can pick any date you want and you can just simulate like the past, right, and just take trades as it goes. You can do that. I'll suggest that for beginners. Like so, yeah, I'll suggest that for you. It's called soft forex, something like that. I have a video on it on YouTube here. But we did a simulation session there. Yeah, I used to do that as well. But now I just kind of now that I'm just a bit more like this is my back testing pretty much right now. Every morning on the streams, like this, I just practice like whatever I do here. But like if you're new still, yeah, I would suggest you just you use TrainView. You can go back in TrainView. You go back to like a certain level here. There's a replay mode in TrainView. Go back, go to like here or something, and just like kind of back test it. Like see what happens here. Like for example, draw your support resistance here. Like support there. You have some resistance here. This is your range.
Call me.
Right.
And then like you just like kind of simulate through, like watch the candles formed, and just kind of trade it in your head as you see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't do this as much. I don't do that anymore though.
Ooh.
Right, I hate when people call me and tell me things that they could have texted me. Like, what's the whole reason?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, or you can use like, yeah, that's the other similar from software that I've used before too. It's pretty. I think I like the soft forex one better than TrainView one. TrainView one is you can't really like
the replay.
Yeah, the soft forex one's more legit.
Yeah, because this TrainView one you can't really like if you want to close a break even like on TrainView, the count just like the whole count like you don't see it live as it moves. Like on the soft forex one you see it like live. You see all the ticks up and down. You can put it to real time as well. You can put it to like actual live time where if you want to watch a trade for 8 hours, you can watch it for 8 hours if you want. And then you can just speed up if you want to. That's what we usually do. But yeah, I'll say that software is pretty clean. If you want, I'll throw links in my bio. My description. Yeah. Like for me, backtest now for me is different now though. The way I view it now is like I'll take my losses for the week, and I'll take a look at those, like why I took that loss, what could I have done to avoid it, what could I have waited for, like that's my backtest now. But TrainView, you gotta go to the low time frame mode. Yeah, you do, but like you can't really see it ticks. You can't see it as it moves, right? For example, if you go into replay mode right here, if I play it, like it just spikes up or down. Like you can't really.
You don't see it actually moving.
Yeah, like you don't see like moving. Like see how it's moving right now. Like this count is moving right now on GJ currently. This is how it moves on that software. If you put it to live time, like real time.
Software you was talking about is the one that you could like actually watch the charts move, like.
Yeah.
What you was talking.
Yeah, it's in my description. Yeah. What's up?
I'm gonna after the stream, I'm gonna hit you in the Discord chat to get the link.
Yeah.
So I can check that out.
Gotcha. Yeah, software is probably the only thing about the soft forex though is like the only thing I don't like about it is that's on MT4, man, and I hate MT4. I hate marking up on MT4, but
I don't even like marking up. If that's the case, I probably don't even.
Yeah, you gotta mark up MT4. Yeah, that's the only thing, bro. It's not bad though, but like.
At all. That's funny.
Oh, 4-hour close there. 4-hour close above the range, clean. 1 hour close bearish above the range, but 4 hours still bullish here. See. We should push it up here. I'm looking at target levels at next target for GJ here is probably gonna be like 136.838 levels, right there. Yeah. I'm thinking I'm gonna wait for a break above here, guys. Or wait for this, honestly, those 1 hour closes. I mean, I want this 1 hour to have a bond wick though, right? Because this is a new forward candle. I'll prefer this forward candle to have a bond wick before it pushes up here. So maybe, yeah, above this resistance here, look for nice buys on GJ. Above this resistance here. What's the discount link? Unfortunately, there's no discount link. I don't know why there's not, but daily highs, yeah, you can wait for that as well. I think daily highs are 136.610, right? So, yeah, that's daily high right there. 10. Would hourly be a wick fill? No. So this hourly wick fill, this is a downside. Like this is a down, like more to the downside, right? The high time frame one is bullish, so I'll rather be on the high time frame one as we did close above the resistance here on a 4-hour time frame. So yeah, I'm expecting a 4-hour wick fill. I mean, 1 hour can get a wick fill as well. Like 1 hour can fill a wick as well, but I think what was that 180? I think 180 would be. I mean, we could come down to there. Right, I'm not saying it's not, but I'm looking for buys above this resistance anyways, right? So but man, if you guys look at this, if you guys look at the 4-hour time frame, guys, look at this. How many times have we rejected this level here? Multiple, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like multiple rejections here at these levels. And this candle here is actually closing. It actually closed for the first time in like a couple of days here above this resistance here, above these wicks here. So high chance we're gonna continue up today. High chance the 4-hour candles are gonna continue up today. 136.838 is my target. Yep. Let's see. It's a slow day, yeah, pretty slow day, bro. You can't do much about it. Can't do much about it, but wait.
Making that push right now.
Oh, yes, sir. 1 hour broke the highs here.
Holy.
70 pip stops. Damn. This looks so clean, man, but the stops are so big. Oh my god. 70 pip stops. Like we're, we closed that resistance here. This candle obviously right here. Closed bearish at resistance here, showing rejection, but we're breaking this candle high, showing that we're breaking structure. High chance we're gonna push up here. Look left. Very clean. That's it.
So because when you just look left right there, like saying that price does break this high, since there's no traffic right there, it should be just a clean shot.
Yes, no traffic just means that there's no like, so traffic is like where resistance is at, or where like range is at. You know what I mean? Like look left. What is this? Resistance, right? So that's where the clean traffic will be until we reach those
Now,
levels
are
there.
you looking for the wick or are you looking for the close of the body?
Bodies. Like, if you guys been watching long enough, you probably know. If you've been watching long enough, you probably know that there's two types of clean traffics for me. First is like clean traffic, which is this, and then there's rocket ships, right? Rocket ships is like those spikes you see, and they'll be above the wicks here. But yeah, clean traffic would just, basically just be above.
What would a rocket ship look like?
Like, okay, let's say price decides to like push up here, and probably above, like once you break like these highs here, you should get like a very like a spike up. Like that's usually the case.
Oh, okay,
absolute clean traffic. Like yeah.
And then the waterfalls is basically the opposite of a rocket ship.
Yep. Yeah, that's what I referred to.
Yeah. No, I heard you say the terms. I just didn't know what that meant.
Nah, yeah.
Okay.
This is clean, guys. Okay, so volatile? Yeah, it's starting to become volatile now. I think volatile, but it's, you know what I mean? Like it's volatile, but not in one direction. It's like volatile, like in a range type thing. People love to have a bunch of remote control. Your fork expire, bro? I don't know, bro, but my head hurts reading your text sometimes, bro. 222555. Pawn trader.
Yo, FOREX Spider, bro.
Goat. He's a goat, though. I love him. He's a goat.
People love to have a bunch of remote control, but the sticky here is just love. Bars. Bars.
Put under 15 candle.
All facts.
Nah, stocks are low because it was like the previous like 1 hour. Yeah, pretty much the current 15-minute candle, 1 hour candle here. It's like a 17 pip stops. Let's see. We're breaking this high though. High chance we're gonna push up to 136.838, guys. I love you guys entered here. It made sense. Great boys. Hope you stayed in. Yes, sir.
There it goes.
Here it goes, guys. Expect to push up on GG here. Expect to push up.
Man, if I had secret half when it was like heading down.
You didn't, or you did?
Nah, I did, but like, what's it called? I'm trying to like work on working on like my trades and like not closing, because I feel like my problem is I close majority of my positions like way too early. I don't know. So I'm trying to work on like holding them.
Same, bro. I got a problem with like securing too early.
Yeah.
Yep. 4 hour close above the range. This is clean to go up here. Expect to push up, guys. Expect to push up here, guys. Expect it right here. Man, oh man. There goes that man. 7 pips and well, I'm not in the tree, guys, by the way, but watching it. But yeah, you guys got entries there. 136.838. You guys got in, Sam? Jimmy?
Yeah, I jumped in at the break. You think 137.11 is realistic? Because I'm looking at that support, and then there's another wick there too. I'm looking at 4 hour time frame.
Yeah, you could look at the 137, like 120 levels. Right, but just like obviously you're gonna like close half at these levels somewhere. Right?
Yeah, no, it'll be partials much more for that. For sure.
Yeah. You should be fine. I mean, if you're leading a runner. Yeah, because the 1 hour resistance, look at it, it's just like it's pretty heavy. That's the only thing to worry about up here.
Yeah.
But yeah. Market never goes your way, at least not usually. If it hits stop, you're wrong. Then you're wrong, but don't be scared of retracement. I mean, if I were to look at this trade again, this is a whole complete different trade from my first trade. Because now the trade will be based up more on a 4-hour time frame as we're closing above the resistance here. And my entries would have been, if I were to be in a trade, those weren't that big, I would have been right here for buyers to come up to here. It'll be a whole complete different trade compared to my first trade. It's a whole different scenario, right? Earlier it was on the 15-minute time frame as we're breaking, you know, overall, but like now, like the 4 hours closing above the range, you know, 1 hour breaking resistance, breaking the highs here. It's a whole different trade. How I feel about putting a stop loss under the resistance level instead of the candle? Do you ever do that? I do that with gold sometimes. Yeah, but like I feel like you just have extra space for no reason. You know what I mean? Like if candles are, if let's say for example this candle closes like this, and then next candle right here, breaks this low here, you know, like, and your stops like, I don't know, for example down here, you know, like obviously your price breaks this low, it's gonna come all the way down to here anyways, right? So why don't you just keep it to as minimum as you can? It's kind of how I see it. Oh yeah, your entries is a bit late, that's all. Hey man, late entries, man. I heard that before. Oh man, where is it?
As long as you don't click close half instead of
Where is it?
forward,
I remember when GJ was like right here. Last week, someone on the stream said I entered a late trade. This whole move came down, boom.
Hey, yo.
Right here. I entered right here for a sell. They're like, oh, it's a late entry, bro. Look at that huge move down already. Man, oh man, it tapped TP. I think it was like Thursday or Friday or something like that. But I heard that before. I heard that word late before. Like once you get that out of your head, guys, like oh, it's too late to. It's you know, it's like once you stop thinking like
oh, like once you think like the trend is over.
Yeah, like you can't think of it like that, man.
Like look, volume, like it doesn't. I'm not gonna say it stops, but it slows down, but it's gonna continue. Cause I hear like people say like a trade is over when volume slows down. No, it slows down because you know the session's over, or like it's a
yeah, session's over.
Session. That's it. But the momentum is gonna continue like later on.
He was telling me how I entered GJ late, and I caught like I think like 30 pips that day. But he told me how I entered late. But like then I asked him,
what is late to you?
What is late? Yeah, like you entered. Like he said he entered gold at like 19 something. I'm like, you entered late too. Why didn't you enter gold at like $1? You know, like
you talking about
price will move wherever. Yeah, price will move wherever it wants to move.
He was like, well, why wouldn't you buy GJ at a good price?
Yeah,
like,
I remember that.
It's like, bruh, the thing is, you can't. It's like it's basically what he's trying to say. It's like he's trying to make you catch a top or a bottom.
Yeah, like that's
it's
the thing.
Hard. Like I'm not
it's
gonna
not
say
hard,
it's
but it's not like as consistent.
It's not hard. It's just like it's like you hit and miss a lot.
It's not as consistent. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not as consistent.
Yeah. I'd rather follow a trend and wait for an opportunity than I think it hit its max potential, or I think it hit rock bottom. A trade could keep going. Like a pair could keep going up, keep going down all at once.
Nah, Gina Beats, I know what you're saying, bro. No, it's not. I'm talking about another trader here. Yeah. But nah, like I know what I mean. Like obviously, everyone's gonna have their views and things. Like you entered at 1 a.m. I don't trade that time. I trade a New York session. I'm trying to catch 10 pips and dip. I'm not here trying to catch a full swing 100 pip trade all the time, right? So it's gonna be a lot different from my view perspective compared to your view perspective. You could enter here and call my entries late over here, but I'm only looking for a move coming from this range to this range, and you're looking for a move coming from like maybe this range up to this range. Like it's two different perspectives there. But still, at the end of the day, it's still it's still the same ideals, technically, right?
Yeah, different strokes for different folks. That's all I say. Everyone got their own flow, bro. Whatever makes you profitable and whatever's consistent to you, then do you.
15 close above. 1 second. Third minute still open. 1 hour still open. Time is at 9:15. Yeah, this isn't a real close above for me. Shit. still below this resistance, right, guys? Yeah, I wanted this kind of like just reclose like this probably above here. That would have been my ideal. After it stops below current candle, price to go up. Let's see, maybe a 30-minute will do that. Now we gotta wait for a 30-minute. 15 minutes left for a 30-minute candle.
So if I FX Samurai said the name, I'm dead. Look at that. Like I follow him, and bruh, talking about.
Nah. At the end of the day, at the end of the stream, after he just said, "Oh yeah, I wasn't trying to get anything, bro. It's all love." I'm like, "Yeah, it's all love, bro. Don't worry." I gotta unboot him though. I gotta unblock him on the
You gotta,
on the streams. I gotta take his soccer jersey off.
Yeah, take the boot off his car. Yeah.
Yo, so to all my OGs here on the streams, who knows about Animal Crossing days?
Yo, you used to be a fiend. Oh. Yo, I forgot
only the
about that.
OGs from like when we had like 10 subscribers know about the Animal Crossing days. Because when that game came out in April, was when we started streaming, and man, oh man, Animal Crossing was the
This man was
vibe.
an Animal Crossing fiend, bro.
Bro, that was a hit.
Boy, this man used to talk about turnips all day. Like, bruh, what is
For
wrong with
real.
this guy? I was like, yo, is this man like, is he like joking or just a dead ass serious about turnips? And then I was like, oh, he's talking about the game where you literally sell turnips and shit. I'm like, oh, this is up. I
was hooked on Farmville a little bit.
Man,
Oh,
I know
Farmville.
that game. I know that game. My brother and his girlfriend used to play that shit all the time. They go, they used to have like who could have the better farmers shit. Like, yo, what the fuck? I'm waiting. Wow. Once it breaks his zone, it's done for. Delete. I heard of that game before. I never played it.
Nah, I never played that game before, bro.
Let's look. Oh, no. I ain't never played that. Shit looks sweet ahead.
Yo, who's in GJ right now? Who got in, guys?
Oh, yeah,
I got in. I closed half when it like.
Oh yeah, peak.
Because you see that 15-minute almost closed below.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, I'm not feeling it. And I close half, and then I have a small one running right now.
Oh, stop the entries.
Because it looks like it's like having a hard time breaking those wicks to the left, but.
Yeah.
That's it. Because I was hoping for this 15-minute candle to close above the range here.
Yeah, exactly.
If that happened, then we would have had a lot more push to go up.
I did have to play this on the 5, bro.
Yeah.
I swear, I hate playing like trades on the 5, but lately I've been had to do it because sometimes it'd be like those splash moves, where you have to like go on like a small time frames to try to catch.
I mean, it made sense here, guys. Like, if you guys look at this, guys, the whole structure of it made sense, right? You had a push up during London, you had a resistance being made during pre-NY, support being made during NY Open, right? So this is now your range, and now as prices breaking above the range, clean to go up, right? This kind of right here could have indicated that we're gonna go up here because this kind of right here closed bullish at support of the range, right? I mean, that's gonna come up to fill the range here. So that's why GJ did what I did here. And now I should be able to push up to break the highs and continue up further up to 136.838. Kind of like what I mentioned for US 30 earlier on the streams. But yeah. I guess US 30 closed bearish here. Didn't do exactly as mentioned. Being still in the range here.
Might be.
30 minutes, still in this 30-minute range here, so. You should just clean her.
Damn. Already 9:20.
Yeah, 9:20. Low late stream today.
Yeah. We might make up for Pink Dry Friday. Think of that.
Fits me looking better stops.
I'm not gonna hold you that sell as you caught last week. That was the most cleanest one I've seen in a minute.
The one in 30 seconds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I literally woke up and hopped in it. I'm like, oh damn.
30 piss within like, where is it? Was it this one?
I didn't even catch the whole 30. I caught like a good like 15.
This one, right? It's been 1 day. Yeah, I was playing.
Yeah.
It's been
I clipped a little piece of it.
30 piss within like 45 seconds or something like that. It was pretty crazy.
Yeah.
You owed anyway for your late start last week? Alright, I guess I'll stay on a little longer. Where are charts at though? I haven't got any charts. What I meant was point stop loss at 136 on a resistance of a candle. I mean, send me a chart. Send me a chart. What you mean, bro? I'm a little confused on that poker
Oh
4FX.
yeah. Freaking stock's gonna.
Stock's open up already. 9, right?
9:30.
Alright, 9:30. NYSE open.
Bro, yeah. It's gonna open up crazy.
But I got a lot of volume, guys.
Yeah, TikTok.
You see what happened with that?
Bought this one company.
No, Microsoft wanted to buy TikTok, and then the guy said, or the company said, no thanks. And then they said they're gonna sell it to Oracle, and then their stock went shooting through the roof.
Yeah,
Oracle stocks?
But my friend got like 25 or 30 shares, bro. He said he's gonna wake up the happiness.
Yeah.
He said he's been waiting for this.
Damn.
Like,
I don't know much about stocks.
He bought Oracle on Friday.
Oh, nice.
And then like he told me about the news. It happened like yesterday, right?
Yeah, today or yesterday, something like that.
Yeah. Then he's like, bruh, this man was like, yes, yes. Yo, he's just screaming. I was like, you good, bro? He's like, I'm about to have the most biggest fucking thing as soon as market opens.
Check you could check the pre-markets on Oracle. You can see. Like,
Yeah, this man was, look, he FaceTimed me. This man was smiling ear to ear. I'm like, bro, you good? He's like, yo, I'm about to make the biggest come up ever on my day. I'm like,
what happened to Oracle? It came down. Is this Oracle? No, right?
Oracle, shoot.
Now put an Oracle NYSE, the NYSE one.
It should be like the first one that came out.
Yeah, first
Oracle Corp. This one.
Yeah.
Or what's happening?
Look at the pre-market. It's at 57.
This? Oh, this spike up?
It's gonna open. Yeah. So when the market comes up, it's gonna.
No, like on Friday. This is Friday, right?
Yeah, Friday closed at.
It's gonna open at that orange.
Oh.
Friday closed at 57.
Oh. Damn.
And that's gonna open at 61 point whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's in 7 minutes. So, well, let me see what Tesla is at, actually.
Hey, I mean, hey, look what happened here, though, guys. I mean, if we get from technical wise, it makes sense. So, you know, you got support here.
Damn,
you have a
Tesla
range here.
This
is your range. You have a breakout of the range here. You know, support formed here. Close bullish. Go up.
It's tough with stocks because
it's tough with stocks, obviously.
With the gaps.
Market
close and market
open. Gaps are scary as hell, bro.
You cannot stocks. You cannot scalp that at all, bro.
Hell no, bro.
That's pure. That's scalps. That's stocks. That's
that or
swings.
Don't over leverage because you can get owned.
Yeah. I mean, there's no leverage on stocks though.
Is it? Oh, I swear.
I don't, but I thought you could leverage a little bit through Questrade and stuff, but I guess not.
I'm not sure.
You know, Sam?
How did Jimmy buy Tesla?
Oh, on Medicare.
No, some brokers allow you to like Vantage
just buy like a quarter of a stock or something.
No.
0.01.
You're buying like lot sizes.
Yeah, you just buy lot sizes. I think using stocks on like Meditate is way better than using on the freaking on the Thinkorswim or whatever, because you literally got to buy it at $400 a share. But Meditator, you have more opportunity. Like you could buy like a little percent of it.
Yeah, the partials. I know what you're saying.
Partials. Yeah. Do not Thinkorswim. Ain't gonna lie.
Bro, it's cold. I'm putting a sweater on. Hold on. Damn, bro.
This man's gonna whip out this most cleanest maple. He's gonna whip out his cleanest jersey.
He's gonna pop off the tag and put it on.
I ain't wear this in years. Look at that. Yeah. Bruh, I'm telling you, once it breaks the zone on the left, those two super long wicks, oh boy.
That's a fact.
On the
Zoom.
hour, just look, let's look how clean it is once it breaks those. Done deal, bruh.
These rocket ships we're saying, right? Mm.
Put them in a coffin, bruh.
30-minute stops, yeah, not bad.
Bruh, to be honest, I don't even know how I'm finna handle, like, once I get to the 10 lot side that's trading.
Bro, I honestly can't even like. It's hard to, bro. 8's already like, bro. I tried 10 once, bro. I couldn't, bro. I went back straight down to 8. It's a difference, bro. I'm telling you. 10 is just, it's just different, bro. It's just.
Yeah. I don't know how you feel, but I think I know how you feel.
No, like my heart doesn't like. I don't shit my pants when I enter 8 lot.
No,
like,
not like that. It's just like you gotta be like hella more precise.
Yeah.
How about you go back to class?
Like,
go back in your room. Go back in your room.
What's happening? God damn, Jimmy. Sound like Ifty over here. Wait, how old's your son, Ifty?
It's 2, man.
Oh no, he's not in school yet.
Yeah, it's small.
Oh yeah. Oh, young. Got ways to go.
Yeah. I like that though, man. They grow up fast, bro.
Yeah.
I need him to stay small.
Yep. Every day he's growing.
Yeah.
Is he tall?
He's 3 feet.
Are you tall? You seem like you're tall.
No, I'm 5'7", 5'7", probably maybe
Bro,
8.
I don't know. I thought you were
day.
like 6'1" or something, 6'2".
No, I'm not 6.
This man.
I got
Don is 4'11". Like a lot.
I'm Tory Lane's height. You guys know Tory Lane?
Yeah, Don is 4'11" in real life.
Yeah, Don is
Y'all-
4'11".
When I stand up, I'm.
Yeah, nah. When he stands money, he's like 6'6", bro.
Control FX, do you have FTMO account? No, I don't.
I'm dead. This man was like, I'm 6'2" on Tinder. This man 5'10" and a half in real life. Like that boy.
Hey, bro.
I'm so glad I hit the 6 foot mark in my life.
Bro, if you rock them Fila disruptors and ask like
You finna get Joe dog. Ain't no dates for you, bro. Ain't no girl want no dude.
How many pairs
I
do you
just finna
trade?
see those and just leave.
How many pairs do you trade? Just GJ? Yeah, I just trade GJ. I used to trade gold and yesterday as well, but it's just more interesting now. Look at the evening star, guys. I don't know if you're being sarcastic or I don't know if you're being serious right now. I'm not sure, man. But yeah,
bro,
I mean,
it's
yeah.
the morning. What are you talking about evening stars for?
That 30 minute gonna close back down below that resistance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Struggling.
Yeah, struggling. Fighting
Let's see.
for
Let's
freedom.
see. 2 minutes. Oh, 1 more minute until stocks open.
I thought that was taller. Bro, I'm 5'9".
Bro, this man's 4'11", bro.
Bro,
Don't
he's,
let him lie
he's
to
not
you,
5'9", bro.
This man is
Don is
4'11".
not
Stop lying
5'9".
to the internet, bro. Y'all living the truth. It's okay to be 4'11", bro.
What trolls you got here?
Bro, Don has to put a booster seat on his gaming chair.
Nah, bro, my chair goes up like this and you just go down, you know.
This man feet dangling in the air right now.
Yo,
This man feet in the air right now, bro.
how am I gonna let you guys talk this to me in my Zoom?
Watch out, bro.
Oh, 50, we can close above 50.
Bro, I already
Yeah,
closed
30
it, man.
minutes.
Closed it.
15. Look at the 15.
Oh my, 30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the 30 minute.
Yeah,
Struggling. I
It's
closed
struggling,
it,
yeah.
like, you have to-
Nah, but
Yeah.
30 minute, it's still closing strong bullets though.
yeah, still gonna
This
close
is-
strong bush either way.
Show. Gonna leave like a good wick show. Watch it. It's gonna drop. It's
Yeah,
gonna drop.
close
Make a
below.
bottom wick. Hear me out. Watch this. Flip a Rooney. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. 1. 5, 4, 3, 2.
15
2.
close.
5,
15
4, 3,
close.
3.
That close is so bad, bro.
Yeah, 15
That's
was
like-
doji.
No. It's still,
Yeah,
it's
it's
still close
not-
above like the
It's not a trade for me. Do you think FTMO is legit and do you recommend it? FTMO, I have no words for it. It is what it is. It pay as long as it, as long as you think it pays you, then I think it pays you, right? But what account size do you have? Let me ask you this: what's your PIN number? What's your PIN number?
What's your account size?
What's your
friend?
PIN number, bro?
How about what's your account size, man? Since you wanna know ours, we wanna know yours.
But yeah, guys, I think if you're looking for buys here, obviously we still have enough volume here to push up to this target here. We don't have an entry yet on GG. If you guys didn't enter yet, I'll wait for a 30-minute closure above here, or some type of 15-minute, 30-minute closure above here to look for buys. But I think it's 9:30 here. I might head off, you guys, because it is getting a little late here. I am gonna call it a day. We enter one trade today, break even, and that was it for my day, I guess. So, but yeah, guys, all love. I appreciate it for showing up today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, and peace. Also, if you guys want to check out how or what we did in that trade we took earlier, go to 7:17 a.m. timestamp, and you guys will see a trade. Alright, guys. So, right now, guys, peace. All love. Catch you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.